834164 0546 834164. Shon Husuye, now Shon Husuye Swa, Ubenyinache.
Reverend Afana Payadase, any wafutu some yadase pa.
Insumidas,
Enti yene Reverend Afo, and I church command nana pay. Wa may futu sama, emu de name ham. Yabessa say, yentie na yentie ye. Yemfa mo bra na nkonko ba se nana pay. Mama Reverend Anantia Filifia betina ha kasa gun from amukwa. Yemo modern say, ibetu huana mo. Emraso yenkona yenkohwe nkoma ahodo a ene anopa yi aba bepie mu e wo man mu the beautiful green o arenda kwao Mrs Kumi abusuafo ni nyina tena se yenkona yenkohwe nkoma ahodo a anopa aba bepie mu e wo man mpamcha anopa mo tesen
ajana dum
wo de say wa medical tia say enye dadanti ya ma unti omunka wa hu ya mount your monka.
Wa monka. Why?
I don't patch no better say.
Why na meant your monka?
Me honge. Na I hope you are also fine by God's grace.
Lebi manini man. Why na meant your monka?
I didn't easy.
Asam no kan meant ya.
So what's yenye? And I'm saying ya mount your monka.
Na why mo?
Omo was say won't your monka no won't your monka.
Why mo was a meant your monka?
Se woni obi e wasa wonte ne nka de a me de na me ka keke
nti wadwene mu pa wo de ka ne sei
o se bi a o obi e wasa on surprise o na bi a wonte ne
wo ye I must papa she wonye wo ye I must papa she wonye
hu obi a fa man to se papa
she say on ne adrende
I read to say
me adom me ho ye na mon so e
Yankopa dom ye ho ye pa. Say bia da din dia.
Bia da din, but I think the only challenge is Ndwaye to me ambano would just like to. I know you might have apologized to the viewers, viewers, listeners. Yes, viewers, because some people are watching us live on YouTube.
Okay.
So both the viewers and listeners would like to apologize to them for not bringing them our latest and updated news across the world. Anya boapayo wouldn't say if you didn't edi ejuma intane ko ba ni sam so that is it
omo e wo say wonti o monka no pe wati o monka wa busuafo e wo say on from omo e wo say o mon texel emfrefre wati obi anka
ya ni didi wi na medwe ho
okay all right iyo enku eni mu na enkoma hodo aba bepie ma o ma mi yafa nso me atiefo.
All right, so a very good morning to our cherished listeners for always tuning into Max FM 89.7 for the latest and updated news all across the 16 regions and beyond. Going into the news headlines for this morning with the general news. 10 petitioners appeal to President Mahama to remove Special Prosecutor Kissie Jabin, EC Chair Jane Mensah, and 2 deputies. Joy News.
Joy News and the ensemi ba. Chese ye kenkan bi de achire mum. Na chese ukopie mu ewo Owura John Dramani Mahama chese na kachia. Chese nkrata mako edu ena yede akoma no a ye hwe nim so obekenkan mu na wabomodin ayi eye special prosecutor Owura Kissie Jabin EC Yamame Jane Mensah ena afe na bedi akire mienu afiri wonom akonwa so ne nyina ene se eye sa petition yi wonom kire se eye wo hwe Ghana ya article no ya ye fa so de eye wonom position ne ema a kwan bi so no wonom position no wonom atomra ba ko mienu bi ebomu eni ti position mako edu anase nkrata mako edu a edipa bi atwere de akoma Owura John Dramani Mahama se onhwe na wonkenkan mu na wontumi enyi special prosecutor na afensu EC any 2 deputies emfi one position.
Heavy security mounts at Minsha Palace ahead of Asante Hine's final ruling on Boku chieftaincy dispute. Joy News.
Joy News Kronoa ena eka we ukopie mu ewo Asante Mantam won kropon Kumase ya menhia ena otumfo edi ne dwuma eneyi aba betodwa se chese Bible mu nsem ayedi wo hoye papa ne nyina ene se yewura otumfo osetutu etena se asiesie eye boko ahensem a chese ema no humene so a enye nne ni nyina ewo mamprusi ene kusase fo entamu enti enayide ukopie mu ewo manhia eyade se bambo ho nsem ayedin wo hoye papa ye hwe ni mu se boko ensensem anase boko ahensem a chese entum enkoyi no ho nsem so ebitumi akoyi wa bra owura osietutu atena nadwam.
Moving to the educational sector, 2025 WASSCE results. Nearly 1 out of 4 candidates failed core mathematics and social studies. Joy News.
Joy News Kronoa eda ekawe. Eya 2025 infin pinum ene adronunum wasi nsohwe no a eye SHS fo no etwoye no. Eno na aba monti a wonum ekire se. Ekoba ne se uyi asukufo mako enan ejina ho emu baako efeli subject a eye mathematics ne se nya elective eye core mathematics na afezi social studies a Joy News ede eba monti na wo kire se enipa mako na sukufo mako fo a ebe yi omosi emu baako efeli subject mienu ya wonum ede amanebo ebre.
Ghana backs Trump's Russia-Ukraine peace plan. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic nso ena de we ba wo kire se Ghana eneyide aba betodwa se ukopie mu ewo US a enkrata tententi a Donald Trump ede beto o my Ghana ni ma wo hwe ni mu se Ghana ye beboa ne yatai wo nachi se de ebe ya wo mu betimi ede asomdue akọ Ukraine ene Russia entem no eneyide sa enkrata no Ghana agya tuma wo kire se wo betai eye Trump achi na Ukraine ene Russia entokwa no wonum atumi atwa so ede asomdue aba. Daily Graphic ena ekawe.
To our last story on the general news, farmer remanded for allegedly raping a deaf and dumb woman in the bush. Joy News.
Joy News Kronoa ena diwe eba wo kire sem okuani bia eneyi wakakopie mu ewo eye aposifo akache asisia no igusu aye toto nano ya yede no akọ remand wanya emfie no aduanan miensa 47 ye bono so bo se wakọ akoto eye maame bi muna ewo ewura mu a chese emfa mra kwan so na maame na woto ne muna no so kwara no enye sese bi wotimi kasa ne oyemu ese na naso ene na no enti asem a owura yi efa asa kwanya ne so ede to maame emuna chese eneyi aba betodwa Joy News so can be ede akire sesi ade wo apotifo akache a yegusu a yede no ekọ remand.
Moving to the business news for this morning, fuel prices set to rise slightly. Joy Business.
Joy Business can we watch say eya fa ngo bo efri enra eya ade se ukopie mu ewo baabi a ye tonton no na ebo na eda so no sese ye de kakra bi atoso anasa pagya ne mu kakra ni nyina ene se Chamber of Oil Marketing Companies ene de ensemi ba ya wo kire se sade niama ekono esese eye fa ngobo no etima no humne so kakra enti enura eye December da edikan ena fa ngobo e ma no humne so kakra. Joy Business ka we di akire.
High cost of land, machinery and raw materials hindering business growth prospects. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom ena di we ba wo kire se ubepie mu ewo Ghana eye enipa wonum eye ankrankre adwuma wonum de eye mfidie eye form adwuma mfan say mainly eye ekuaye ene sa enobaye ho enwuma no wonum de nsamatoja wo kire se ubepie mu a nsase ena afei akadia machines ene eniema a esese wonum edije womu adwuma ewa asase we so eyade se ne bo ewo so ye papa na eno ena entumi ma eye ankrankra business a enka empempi enipa de omuhura mu no entumi enyini no eni nti eno entumi emma saa business ankurankura business no entumi enyini enko nanim kura na akoye ohaw de ama wo mu yie pa city news room nso kawe de akire yen.
To international news, Spanish services rescue over 100 migrants in Canary Islands. Africa news.
Africa news ene di we ba wo kire se ukopie mu ewo Spain a ade se wonum adwuma yeku a ewo ho no mu anache se asradom ku ene wo mo da border ano no ene die wonum atimi abomoden age nipa beburu oha ya wonum tutinafo a wo tu afiri wonum atena ye akwakopie mu ewo Spain no sesei enipa a wonum ensa aka wo mu anase enipa service no ensa aka wo mu mako beburu oha chese desert so na island so a wonum efa ediwura epuginim no yetini a rescue sa nipa dudui.
Israeli Prime Minister requests pardon on long-standing corruption case. Africa news.
Africa news kronwa na kasa asemwe ukopie mu ewo oman Israel ade se wonum prime minister ewo honom enaidie ne nsada ne nseyem esre aban ne se yemfa ne bone ene ne mfom so enche no esanse kwadu ayede abono se na breso no ade se chese ketase hwedwrim ene proye ekwaso yie papa pa enam se wotena so cheye ntini wodi sa abonofo semwe eche ya enaidie aban no ensa akana ne nsa eda ne nseyem akotodwe nso egufom a wosre aban no epachew. Africa news and
to our last story for today. Deadly boat capsized in northwestern Congo leaves 20 dead, several missing. Africa news.
Africa news kronwa ekwa ena eka we ukopie mu ewo Congo wonum etifido atoye honom no a ade se chese subonto anase kuduo bi a efa nipa ya ewi akire se yankote asempa enipa no boat no efa awo mu no chese ensuo mfimfini ena ekoda ne ya emu mako aduo no 20 afamu ahwere wonum enkwa ewi akire nso enipa bebere nso abomodin a ayera yegusu a yehwehwe wonum. Africa news ena di we eba.
So these are the stories we came with this morning for our cherished listeners. And one story for discussion from my inside, I'll do the WASSCE 2025 results, which says that the West African Examination Council has confirmed a national education concern with the release of the provisional WASSCE 2025 results, revealing a worrying surge in the outright failure rate, grade F9 across all 4 core subjects compared to the 2024 results. Greeno, we go mafia there. Now you scatter them. You go conquer them. You see, Kubi, students in school are move fee. They took social media for themselves.
You go Jimu
them. My men are moving to one ball move them. Results or no. Social studies, physics, and social studies. Like a lack of amenities, the way they feel. Social studies, what do I like about social studies is almost all the question, lack of social amenities, poor condition. We don't answer our question.
State and explain.
State and explain.
Identify.
Lack of social amenities, poor wine. Now what one say we?
But then social things around
exactly.
You. So social studies there can.
Na me say college school. Social studies.
Oh my, yes, I'm get to a nine. Social studies now so far yes in kola na faili pa.
Yes no.
Who say no na
social studies yen faili.
Yeah, thank you. Na make social studies there. Where they are lack of social amenities say one answer. Poor wine two.
Yes, I'm get to a more excessive rainfall.
Thank you. Degradation, bush burning, fire. Where should cry students fail?
Now, when you say it's very pity, and I'm a one girl because I'm saying, now money is more fairly potosano, or the Starku, Mimmy cried a mass in a man true. Now, most of school, more fine areas are. Adia, wa brabo. Because we SS there can be a money zone. And need the results in the Hokrana now certificates in the Hokrana. Wouldn't you cry now? Or cast up school while I bet me as I to us. Now, and no, not fain, I would be Bobra, no one chrobi. Na university ni nkofo nursing training you ntimi nkobio.
And I make sure so where we go mafia them.
Okay.
Ma, me say we here school no. Kubi. They have the audacity to pick up phones. Da mun show mukunu mu ofie ye na ye be gio mu sika dia boy ti. Ye be gio mukunu mu ye say. Now, when I chanced on some of the videos, I was like, whoa. When we school now, maybe time, maybe we are no. Me mpae bobi a me di fi achimota school be dru fie no. I was just God help me pass. But Akoya said they were so okay. Now we go mafia them. So the results has come. Go and check at them, and you go fail at them.
No.
Me say
what's why has mafia?
My work has. In Kofuka say it was intentional, but the students they are not ready to learn.
Oh sure.
They are never ready to learn.
That one, yeah.
But the comments
I totally
agree.
agree.
And social studies, they say lack of social amenities, 1, bush burning, 2, why. One answer our question. Now, over failing social studies, you are failing social studies. Then I don't know where you are heading to as a student. Like, why would you even do that? Why would you even do that as a student? Now, hey. But social media is just fun. Obia say go check the result at them. You say you go mafia, we result has mafia them. That me say
it's so pity say.
And now worry for na bomudua.
Obia mobia.
You were sent to school to go learn, but you could see that the students that were coming from the school, this 2025 was students, you know. And young from school
because yes, per record, yes, say over 7 years in a market, a year was seen so way. We no more Philippotopa.
They didn't look like people were ready to go in. And a woman, a headmistress from a school, shared her story. Or say girl be bar in the school. Or by she came with, is it something, some senior high school? I don't want to get it wrong, so let me not mention it. Or say girl nearby, you know. Or she came with aggregate 14, that's in BC results, 14. 14 girl into me spelling. Oh, no, she's not able to spell the name correctly.
Now, media cry.
Before now, I'll say, GHS, we need to have been a one or two exams. You think you are doing the students a good, something good. Or now, so I dream say, me one no on personal. That's your qua. Rebecca say, why ya dear, like a teacher for your boy in Colorado. You think you are doing the students any good? You are harming them. And or monsoon because they've been helped from their JHS levels. How much do you cost in high school? You think how much cost in high school? You think that was all? Into muko na ma for breast munko sunya de no. Komi I don't know if video na make a meaning say we hu a. Ah we school na mo ba.
Me hu ye pa.
Hey, we go mafia them. We go take your husband at them. What is waiting for you them? Go and check how you feel at them. Say me.
Irene, it's high time I was say nipa mpanimfo de omomuna isi form because though say you say free education one system na ye pese akola bia enya bi ekọ fa ba bi me hu ni say amwa kire say ya time unya 20 kura wa hwe school kura mpo no unya obi nya 42 nipa ni ya school choice obi nya just at time. And the thing is, this surrounds us. They
are not learning. You see, that is
you corporal punishment every school. Now, when you contribute to colonial reluctance, they are not learning, and some of the teachers also are not helping.
And I said, oh, you see, teacher no, she say. If the students fail, Rebecca said, me teacher na man as a teacher. Society, whichever way I have to find for you to pass. Now, but all students no, it's also up to you. Teacher na in any way.
Imagine.
And I think the students they are not ready to learn. They have not allowed themselves to learn.
And a viral video APA headmaster one.
Yeah.
Any sebi.
Akwala.
School ni akwala ababawa. Eshe ni office. Miemia sebi onimpoku anenofo nti amede sebi na ban miemia na wei akwara no sorry instead of say prep time obesua de no obemu say no wate asimu na okọ bangalo teachers headquarters
me say any man akwara no courage no they feel that they are on top of the world
no okọ ne mfefo esua de no na okọ event say quarters bangalo headmaster ho
you know
na okọ assistant headmaster ho omo hwe house master na de
house master
no okọ house master no okọ house master ho na che say nkwasi ade ebi kura na weekend a osa nkwala no kura timi sua ade no ne ya ka chom so mo mra fie
ukoye den wo
de ko no aduane
ukoye aduane
de ko no aduane
mama me teacher buy unim so be aduane na wanye day student
Charlie, this results now
they say no object they wait for them then
the teachers are also to be blamed teachers for no e was say blame you mo enya school for no kwa na was say blame you mo yen san blame you for no nka
ade ba ko a ya
any san double track no so yen san blame nka ho
ade ba ko ya dwen ko
so me ba double track here ba yi akola bi baba fie 3 months on su ade da
obebe fie wa obeko school 1 month obebe
aba fie 3 months ade na ya ka na serious o yen fa blame ne man kola no nko a parents ka ho teachers ka ho and a double track system no so
yes, but I want to correct something here. See, I know people who also went to this double track system, but yes, they've been able to pull through.
And then I made sure say,
so why you want to say I want to make it a life? You make it a life.
No, you see, and share factors are contribute to sad way. What is and young Colano Kwan, a bit me a blame woman, so one parties, but you share a nipa and as a system a center around it. Where would not a home? I could have bet me a fee 3 months na on coffee. So when your parents are said as education, we are sa classes here, on could be done was I the school. We know. Or be a year so and was actually.
I mean, tree I drink could be so. You see, sometimes parents, parent teachers, like you are saying that they should also support Nkwalano 100%. I'm on boy Nkwalano with everything they are doing. Green, I'm not disputing that fact. It's true. I will say parents, I'm on share. Not teachers also because sometimes just like you're saying, vivid example on my with a head teacher and a student, you will crow her and a student every somewhere Volta region. Obehune Pena. But I will find you so school.
That is why I'm saying
school.
Contribute
just to come and see your boyfriend.
And then I contribute to the failure of the friends or more results or more.
Sometimes because I see. I know my days in Achimota school. I sat in class with people who went to government schools, and they've been able to pull through. And it's say you the student, if you want to make a life for yourself, you will make it.
Disputing that.
Okay. Who student who say who person you want to make a life for yourself, you can make that life for yourself. But the rate at which students feel that in Kolana Mobile here, and it's a many Samsung, but the little people come in here, like I don't know, but they don't value education. I'm not
it's high time. It's high time. Pending for the omuna basic for me, papa. Because say I will for numpo and uncle and befie. Now so more money come one. Or move do school moon. Dear, I was say a teacher for any.
Some teachers are having affairs with some students. It's not students in Musha.
And that may bow. Send the idea when putting Kenyan a bayache. A chakura da. But this time round, no, the way our system next year, no, especially education sector, no, the way here and
me say good. Near all kind also the education sector name what me ba and run me teacher ni bi kasa your friend Solomon and Petty or child was secondary school. It's around 4 p.m. when I'm in a kasa no say a fin on my point or more coffee. And I'm say wow. Almost started school time and also by 7:30 there. Next school started. And I was like, hey, Charlie say pa na me ko school me because he akwada ebe ko school anopa 7:30. Ye be ja akwada sa akwada enko fie anasa akwada nkoda enko rest kakra 4. Enti akwada yi tina ne toso fiti anopa kodu o de me ba me tina
ya analysis na ba
anopa kodu anwumre 4 owie a e wo se bi onko rest kakra ne ade anwumre yes yo mbeko prep na eno so Charlie moment asese nkoda ne bere and this exams yo mochuri akwada besua de fiti form 1 akusi form 3 o section A me the minimum said that so ho dia section A ya ma questions are 2 questions meaning say
section 1 is the possible ones
Debbie, neighbor section B, so much him. I want to make
from SS1,
SS1,
SS3.
Two questions.
What me about who come one to be
from one a whole year or subject I will soon from book no beginning to the ending and I say 2 questions. So what you say? Now fe yaba form 2. You are form 3. So what you say? Now we do form 3 you be soon form 1 cry we fee. It in kwada na bere. Moment ya say kwada na bere.
In what way? This is the through.
Who SS? Maybe sa who SS.
Kumi, let me share my experience with you.
There be maybe sa who SS.
Oko be me fino.
Oh there be I want to hear from the horse's own mouth. Who SS? Who be
Ye.
Wo chiro wo wasi so he ni nyina. Wo chiro ni nyina. E ba ye na ye.
Ebi nye.
Mo. Ebi but ne say na enye efe nko a.
Na enye social studies.
Enye efe nko a.
Me passive.
Nten na afeli ye.
I think say mienu.
Ene ye ne de.
Maths and literature.
Maths and literature. Maths de won say obi ka so afeli maths a. Enhye da nya hu bebre. Na social studies. Those days you can integrated science.
No, science is different. You have the science. We have. I won't say when you take the electives, there was science.
Environmental studies and
environmental. That was JHS level.
And yes, environmental studies. And now you call JHS and social studies. The same social studies. What you say? Young one is that this time round, no, the students are not ready to learn.
Into your Montessori.
The
incidental.
It's
the same thing we are doing.
Time the person Montessori say in Kwada post school 4 p.m.
Let me tell you, my days back at Happy Home.
Mind you, say we have breaks.
Kumi, yes,
we have breaks.
Kumi, make sure my days at Happy Home as a JHS student. You call class 5 a.m. You better come back to your dormitory after 7. Kumi, you just go rest, come back. Everything. That's what it's about determination. That's why I like my school motto: determination and perseverance. If you're the child, you feel you have a future for yourself, you make it. Students are not banning here.
They are not learning.
They are not learning. Now, Mrs. Something.
Double track, no so double track. No.
Let's take this instances for instance. Let's take this instance for instance. Senior high schools here are why so notorious. I recently Kimbo Senior High School. I'm a student back home.
Says yeah, who goes school? I bully. Be a bullying professor. It's school for best. They will not learn. Sabim Kwasia Sabumi, my own rapping assembly and nice. The students are misbehaving. Let us say that they are misbehaving. Now, so just to say, service are failing. Lack of social amenities. Poor deforestation. Yeah, they are failing. Me because who is wasi? Social say them say 2 hours 30 minutes. Me the 1 hour na choy. Me the 1 hour.
No, not be because me like this. I did. Let me show you my subjects. I did way back in Achimota Senior High School.
Yeah, I 4 years. Yeah,
I did elective maths. I did geography. I did economics. I did elective French.
2017, 2011.
Now call year by now call 4 years. I think say 3 years be you call 4 years.
Yeah, and no started free 2011.
In fact, 2017.
Which one is 2017?
So we started free 2017 batch and we 2011.
Media 2017.
Kumi.
Almost started 2017.
Kumi, the open Kumi, me say.
2011.
Hey, I don't know what for me.
Kumi, Debbie, me
207 now, Hannah.
207.
No,
2011. I'm pam.
2017.
207.
Kumi also supporting collaboration. Said they be Kumi and one day.
I don't bread. Mr. Kumi now. I did. I
did elective maths. I did economics. I did geography plus core math. And I mean those other. And
I think say
afforestation, lack of social amenities.
Let me say that Bradley come to Krampona. And I'm a boy. Corner 3 and 4.
Corner 4. We have integrated science. We have social studies. We have English and then Baku maybe social studies, integrated science, core math, English, and 4 plus 4. Today 8. And the fruit just has gone out to run. Now I buy
it 10.
No, I buy it it's because the students are misbehaving. They are not ready to learn.
Oh, yeah, they are not ready to learn.
That's the truth.
They are not ready. And as a double track.
No, you go scatter them. You go write it, no back at them. May June, you go write at them. Next time, if you go and you come in your next word, you go sit down and learn at them.
Sister, I made them just double track. Saa double track no pa de emwa emma nkola ni nsia de ba ko when your parents or your discipline pa o ba be kwa ba fia betena fie he on fa ne ho onya ne hwe
see emwa no wasa kwa wo fo na bre won
oh
emwa ha social studies obi si embisam say hot is a family.
What's a family? Is a family people related by blood? It can even be by blood.
Define no and I say can it say now can I was secondary school now.
A family is a group of people related by blood. That is what we're taught. It's simple as that.
Yes, the beautiful green no.
And one sister
deforestation.
Deforestation.
The cutting
down
of
trees in the society without planting new ones.
Yes.
So this is social. I had yes, so that is a
now me say the people social studies way. You can say question one question two answer about come and now who have social studies that's
it mathematics.
Look at things in your surrounding and answer it with them as simple as that. Born on my born. Now we school now. Wa ban obe kotra ready. Oh, obe join results. We go start at them. We go master them. We go show them. We go take them a husband at them. Why has mafia you them? You go rewrite again at them. No deck you go pay at them. And they say, you see, Dollar is going to a place where the only certificate appear at a point. It's the move for education and watch us kill you. Yo, now degree, so now if you don't upgrade yourself. It's here for them. We go mafia them. We will bring you new stories at them.
In as much as a system, the education system, necessary, no interest on major almost. So, Monsieur, I am one case of Mudachi.
Yes, do it for yourself. One case of your bright future. Yes, oh, Yamo, Yama, one case of Yama, one case of afforestation. Afforestation, deforestation, lack of social amenities. Why, hey. No deck is wait at them. Them go right at them. If you fail again, you go also right at them. And to what?
I don't quite that me on my job.
No, you dare me out there. Like what I was thinking of. What time you in here? Now I went into hiding. But the fact that I'm here now, no mukita phone and I'm at the phone. You go take your husband and
open Tamawi. Oh,
and I am so we have stake at them. You go see at them. School, you don't go get at them. You go rewrite again.
Say no, my bafu for saying, or mammy, for about time or muddy.
3
years time.
It's also more beautiful for say, mammy, for about time or and I'll say how many years time?
3 years time. Asamuka. Now that's enough here 3 years.
Now do oh mama to cry. 3 years, yes, I want to do.
Now how who say yes, over reality. A friend numbers a friend over reality. Hana be say the eja wo pesika ye de makoyo tini mi afa na otini mi ne na be na be sa kokoro sapo gusu anafo wo ma me be ka to say free no e go di nyankofo eh ma me be so say abenfa na ni pesa ne se nkra no edi ye ni ana wonketu ayi
you ana pay be dem ase why
we go mafia them it's here for me but we go bring the story at them
almost some be mo boys
and then they go fail at them this has to go right again at them
yes you be twa mo
them go see at them
almost one year pay
you go show them shege them they have lives for themselves all right have a nice time.
All right, James, I am quite me and quite Hamanisona, Yene Dr. Albert Hagan, and to train come in the next 5 minutes. Ye bisa Dr. Se Kasa VPN, then I am now man for Tashi in France. I say, who need creditor? Bomodian call Play Store, na download you. VPN na fa two phone so. Ultimate do Jumadi Bibra Wabra, who need credit crime in him. Say no one VPN na inim na say bibi fufro e hodia. Dr. Albert Hagan and pay mo watching, me gidi pass and pay hoye.
Acho me hoyo, me so mo watching, na me tie
ya je so ye hu adom ye so ye ho ye pa wadaroma no pa se kasa VPN na den e kwamen so ne fa edi dwuma.
Oh, okay, me that's it. VPN memory say ye fa no internet I use no or to say tunnel it's true bia one seminar and na internet no so no FM nti say ye fa say who use internet no e de hwehwe bibi a wo be bisa ye fa bibi to say Google bibi a wo be type wo Google say wo hwehwe bibi bia no information no of hwehwe no wo internet ni nyina so I have to say computers are yakeka boom with different places not to train information no from it but we share internet map no so we be who say I have to say pipes are connected. I have to say we see down no electrical wire electrical way no roofing no moon for ceiling way no ceiling board no ade no enfan cover so into wood gina so na wo hwe so a pipe no so cross sa na internet net na VPN ye private network I to say bibia ya ye na ye dia fa wo internet to corona information from no ya ye dia fa ho nti ebuama asema wo send an information a wo twe no obia ntumi hu that information no ebi wo ha ye te say o obia hack obi ana say information bi a wo send ko baby no obi so nsaka na obi sa won say nipa no we adwuma na send email eba ne send obi nsaka e o say aya ye ko internet so no ye use ya ye so say mun check nhwe say internet site na e secure wo be hwe address bar na wo type www.something.com no wo be say ne left hand side wo say bibia it say padlock wo nti sa padlock no eni na ma no security wo but VPN no ye private network wa find dey ato sa connection no so eno no we here for two things one person obi be who you are who identity and I say baby I will send the information nefi ebi wa maybe yamfa Ghana for example Ghana say you can say you share obi person use PayPal address we type paypal.com now we fill a form na edu countries we share country ni mo no Ghana ni mo intercessor say we Ghana we to make create PayPal account e ma ni nye because omo yi dinye fi sa nkofo omo to use PayPal no adenti no omo yi fi because e bi no use PayPal link na da Ghana no e di to trosam internet ahoma trofo ahoma no do no wotu wo de to trosam nti sa ahoma no do bia ni say internet no de bibia ya accessible nti say mpete obi di ne sabe kan obi bia na use VPN e bi so ha company bi ha pese ti say covid bai ya wo software bi wo company no ma say ni company no ma wo computer na connect to company network won sare nka entumi run dem software no nti we pede obi o use dem software no we dwuma ma na ye man VPN software no nti that VPN software no e be hide the network no na say ama wo exclusive access with some username and password that utum e connect to that network na internet no do no because ubia nim who you are internet they copy the Facebook address and abi there hwe nipa no obi betuma feel details bi or the picture bi a hwa be feed on your no no they are scam. The man yeah no with VPN no because of to me create the invisible tunnel no around all activities no. Ubian to me where you are, your location. You use the IP address here no. I get the IP address 192.168.1. something. First one bit my application country a womb. Second one application will network a womb. Third one application location. Maybe I will pick internet and I can say. And some last one I pinpoint your exact location. It also yes will be your internet here for the 200 police for channel. Yes. Internet that BBF should be the first person who to me attract me to my internet. It is a use MTN bundler. MTN who to me can be there. Send the WhatsApp message in the fee. Into what you show you go to me and show what the map. Kaneshie area. Okay, Nipano only outside Kaneshie area. Kaneshie area him for potty no okay on the radio go the side one. Okay. If you die what the radio good enclave you better mark on one after the other, you be hunipano. So far as the internet no. Into what doing there, you are hiding it to be able to access it. I feel so if you have apps to do a while. If you share apps to be apps no a download Google Play Store no obi no phone. Or down app no do. How the app ni do. If you have Android version no or your lower. Nti pedama app no so apps do also say we US nkwa why and there say ni US a wonsan nka dama app no wo phone no so nti VPN no ema wutuminya wo sesa wo location no nti betuma install VPN software ama e choose there e America nti all of a sudden echo PayPal account na make start with na e be hu na fi e drop down na e be hu the Ghana wo. Why? Say we Ghana could say the into and your paper maybe. But it's America. When in there, America they will to protect one war. I feel so there will be via friend protection that remote information, you know. Into VPN add another layer of security. I sometimes will phone also who create account will be via say Yabama OTP. One-time password be what they after so. After that one-time password, they would can log into email and you can now send another code and phone another level of security. You send the 2FA, two-factor authentication. That security now that don't normal will be there or you free. Now, yeah, we baby said there. Into the VPN, make them use the made. The free ones were what it to me use, but is this what? Even though you're free, you know, a user companies now won't pay their access to them to their PayPal account, you know. If you can download the free VPN, you have still PayPal, but who they use VPN, not still are restricted. If they will do a while, it to me user almost free access to certain information.
And na doc no minyaya na nke be na chena and one say yen krom ha nso no VPN no amanfo person better creditor and ya no mota use pa na ye be pese chena be kire ne nti a VPN no o de two phone so a uni credit kra otimi eko internet no so de edi sa adwuma no nti minyaya na nka yen yesa nkomo ye chena nso ye be fro na wato aso e ho why yo eti Dr. Albert Hagan na yene na twetwe nkoma ya bisa ne se VPN na yene wa kyerɛkyerɛ mu na kyerɛ so yene na betwetwe nkoma na ya bisa ne se yen krom ha de VPN no yede ya ne se a free data o person ko internet ne so ni credit o ni sika o de to credit unya VPN na o amanfo timi twifa mu a enti eno so kyerɛ beto aso na ya bisa ne sa de internet sa o yen krom ha na kwa menso ene betimi edi dwuma enti Dr. Albert Hagan anopa yeda asene ombre ne wadaje yen fa sedama Kivo hot pepper o madaru mamobo an sika fa mu na anopa yede max morning di dwuma de ebra o se bomode aso benya bi na we no enkoma choba ahodo ene ye dwuma restaurant ene ye induane ahodo de ma schools ahodo so ati ase enti sanka o koto mako bebre na odi agu ade mu abobɔ so da bi we de kivo hot pepper yayam dada ene ye de agu sachet mu nti we no kakra bi keke na we ne yese ehyehye na so ede nti we no nya kakra bi de guma yen so a ye hyeto na ye ton ma mansa bomode ase obenya kivo hot pepper na fadi udwumade nyina nti bomode ase okodwa so a onsa ebeka bi yemfa sedan so ema mega cash lucky box o madaru mamobu an sika fa mu ma na no pay de maximum in the udwumade na ebro se bomode ase obefa obedale star 426 star h hash fabra star 426 star h hash network bi a woso select number 2 max fm eno achi box se beba no maku nsia na wa select o lucky box o select o lucky boxer na fei sika bi ebefima ba no eya ode anu abusuafo nyina nti bomode ya se ode oho ebegimu na wadi bi se sika ho ayden pa nti bomode ya se mega cash lucky box ode oho begim na fei ye fast dan so ma must buy o madaro ma buy 2 for less promotion e cost nti bomode ya bra be piem ya so e to ne makum mienu ne ente so emfa ma onya no ba bia gi se must buy nti bomode ya se maybe who must buy in showroom bia won bowra ho na bisa say buy 2 for less promotion no ho asem nti na mabai mu nkyerekere mu te say bomode aso be frɛ yen 0544019552 no na ye must buy number no green o yenko ye nim na emre na akwachi
akwachi ayo hu ayo ne mini ama memfa we emfrase must buy e kyerɛ say efi sabrea ekosi 31st December wonom e chade e de ama wonom atofo enti bowra must buy na beto TV better air conditioner, refrigerator, mobile phone, home appliance be as a winya e wo fie na won so yentimi empiki within any number na bejo o salon car TV smartphone and as home appliances be was a winya e wo fie we e giveaway a must buy for eche ani so e de ama wonum customers bronya mu ya won eche se ubetumi enya car enti bomodin na won so beto niema e wo must buy bora must buy e wo Madina Zongo Junction Tema Community 1 Junction Mall na afei so Westers Mall Kaswa Takradi Station VVIP Ocitalisol Odor Rice Area La Paz Startime Building Dakuma Junction Yene Mass TV Mass FM ene wo eye dan ba kum Odor call main traffic light and must buy e wo ho no mo frɛ wonum e wo 05440 19522 05440 and afe 0594 091122 0594091122 must buy se bomodia na bedi sa agorowe na nso so woni entumi enche mefa e de free must buy ho no a wonum e kire se wo Philip Essence phone no eguso a chese e wa adwama so ankofo atu eguso eni nti wo pe phone na ebebo adwuma yie ama wo pa de a Philip Essence e free 10 ekosi 20 na gig ne egugum e free 64 ekosi 256 ni nyina so ya tete bo no so kora wo be pie mu e wo must buy a wo betumi so enya Philip Essence phone ato ama wo ho ato from must buy was 0544 0195520 0544 019552 and now visit one website www.masbuy.com.gh bomadia na kwaje wo Philip Essence phone
ew the beautiful green o yeda say ene ya kodwa so aba ya kohwe ne ma hodo odwa so emra so yemfa yen street value madie ne to aso yemfa ma yemfa nkomo no ntu wani ase wi na fe yetwe ho ye koba na fe yama ho kwan na waba mu ene nkomo ne yetia wa ye bisa se emre ne so se yenwade a ehun behia se wo se yen take into consideration se be ma ya me ko wade ni ne tribal fimu oya igbeni oya santini oya kromoni mikromu yesema yen wade agbefo mikromu yesema yen wade enum ni mikromu yesema yen wade enkrani ehun behia se edu se ye choose yen life partner ye be consider tribal nipa no eye ana enti ene ne yen koma ye di se ehun behia na wa ma ye hu adenti na ehun behia hu so hia na wa ma ye hu ni enti ehun hia ye ba sesi ye ba na ya ma ho kwa na wa ba mu.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insulated kura. Essence due kesi every Max Buy abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines. And Max Buy now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you out now absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlets to start shopping. In Sheshe Kakra Wohu. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
Smogans is feast time. Join us on Monday, 8th December at 8 a.m. sharp at the Reverend Mother Bernadette Assembly Hall for the 2025 Feast of the Immaculate Conception, a day of Mass, Thanksgiving and giving back, including a special donation to Kolebu Children's Department and the induction of Smoga 2015. Dress in your elegant Smoga cloth and celebrate our theme, honoring our founders, living the faith, serving with truth and virtue. Proudly sponsored by Smoga 2001. Smoga, Veritus Veritas.
Calling on all alumni. Join us every Saturday at 9 a.m. on School Connect, the ultimate platform to reconnect with your alma mater and share your founder's memory.
Let us spread great Okwase.
Share your story.
We are the only and first college in Ghana.
The only secondary school administration board with a helipad.
It's Tema Secondary School.
Wako school near you, you have to go to Presect to be shaped.
Revisit your school days and reminisce about your time with friends and teachers. Showcase your school ongoing and upcoming project. Inspire current students and make your school proud. Be part of the connection. Don't miss this opportunity to reunite with old friends and classmates. Network with fellow alumni. Give back to your school community. Tune in every Saturday at 9 a.m. Schools Connect, where memories are revisited and new connections are made. Live on Max TV, Max FM 89.7 and online max.com.gh.
Mensa Kamekao!
Now what? So, dear.
Hey, Charlie, what's it? Imagine buying your favorite gadget and driving home a sleek saloon car.
Oh, yes. With Max Buys You Shop, You Drive promo, every purchase brings you closer to amazing prizes.
Just shop any products from Max Buy between 7th November to 31st December
and stand a chance to win a sleek saloon car, TVs, smartphones, and more. Your next buy could make you a winner.
So what are you waiting for? Shop now and let's make your dream drivable with Max Buy.
Max Buy. You shop, you drive.
For further enquiries, call Max Buy on 054 401 9552. Terms and conditions apply. Approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Come on, church, let's sing it at the cross.
Follow me, and I'll make you fishers of men. Matthew 4, verse 19. Tune in to Max FM and listen to Evangelism Focus, a program brought to you by Courtesy of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus Movement. Do you belong to a church and desire to win souls? Or are you into evangelism in any part of the world? Then join us and be a member of this movement. We help to win souls for existing Bible-believing churches. Your host is the radio evangelist, Deacon Danny Glover, a seasoned evangelist from the International Central Gospel Church, Royal Temple, Awoshi, and founder of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus Movement, Global ERFM. He has over 30 years of experience in evangelism, so you'll be greatly inspired as you listen to him. Tune in this and every Sunday from 5:30 to 6 a.m. and you will be blessed. For enquiries, call 0244 955 425 or 050-9038-893 or visit our website www.restoreevangelism.org. Evangelism Focus. Let's focus on evangelism.
89.7 Wewura Max FM wa jidu okita se
Kumi kasa eye baako pɛ edin no eye baako pɛ menkɛsene kwasi ada untumi fa duadan so untumi fa bladan so kumi ututu ka ututu dam ututu tam waje bam watu fie watu bum watu todan obaje bam betu ka kumi kasa da by the TM State Governor.
Maji tina me dane di wunji di misi bisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi pebe dia aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM koswa fili masaya se
Saruz is my name and my name is Sarusu, baby. But we fell in love for the very first time. We're trying to do things we never do before, look. You gave me the sweet but of love, oh. I be the love of your life. You be the love of my life, oh. Yeah, but that's tomorrow. I mean, I won't go. But you will take her out with a call. That's tomorrow. I could see it to me. Your love, they suit me, oh. But that's tomorrow. I take it to the altar. Put a ring for your finger. But that's tomorrow. I mean, I won't go.
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
No matter what I get, go talk, now you my love. You are my papa, baby. My sugar banana. You are my papa. You are my sugar banana. So baby, make I love you. Make I kiss you. I wanna hug you. Baby, let me feel you. Hey, oh, that's the one. Your love, they sweet me. Make I take it to the altar. Put a ring for your finger. Put you can't grab
Odasuma ebeda na unko Abisuaya mu akwaba famra Max 89.7 Max Morning di when wasugusu a utie no ye kwa kosisa no pa no krobebo ne asode so ye frame kumi kasa me the beautiful green o DJ Holy
in fact your love is strong
Arenda kwao ye producer ye friend Mr. Bobby
in fact your love is strong I'm here for why did
Osi Odasuma ebeda na unko Enkomoya yedi nana bi anachese ni krom ye bunipa oye nana chese amanfo hu nana amanfo kotokoto na chese ye mfani ndi agrokra ye nsi ni fam ena no nana kofa akoda bi na nana de no be share demu akoda no secondary school akoda we school ena ja nana se chief feelings kakra Sa nana so akwa epahin nana mpese be hu so ne akoda da twempena anopa ibe hu nana kuraba na nana kohwe junso agu anopa ibe hu nana kita polythene bag nana kwa hin nana se me kobola o nana mayemu nana se davi anopa ibe hu nana kurai nana kohwe junso agu nana mayenhwe agu nana se davi acha se akoda ne sode anu ayi ne hu ye wodan nim na afei e wo se nana ena emfa nkohwe ngu odo asoma wo nana manfo hu na ye kotokoto no nana sisi akoda ne yemu ba e kura ye ne yemu ba ne na ne nana kanso na esoma no odo asoma All right, I'm saying queer memra so yem fire street vajumadi ne to so emfa ema yem fa ho aseda makivo hot pepper omo boy sika fa muma ye de ye street vajumadi ne brawo makone ehyehe nanso eye de no bomodi ase obenya bi ye kafo de ama obibia ne titru ne ya ye aduane ema mansan se bomodi ase obenya bi fa ye aduane na ebema manfo adi ho adanse e pa ase onu aduane ye so obekom na kivo hot pepper daroma emu so hu ampa we know the year aduane a hu hia so the spices bi ni enema hudu bi ebegu aduane ti bomodi ase obenya bi o madaro mama boa yen ena no pay ye de yen street vajumadi na ebre na yen komo na yetiawa ena ye din komo na ye bisa se semre ne so say ye choose your life partner ye choose oba na se be ma epese yen wade na eho be hia se ye be consider tribe nipa ne ye se ye be hwe se oh me ye ma igbeni nti ene ma me ware me kromu ni me yen krani nti ma me wade me kromu krani me ye kroboni nti ma me ware nkrani anya hwe kura mpemfo se ukuro mu pete edi una ma ebika enti eho behia se obe consider tribe impo ebi kura potimi hwe se okay ene me ye Pentecost ni die ene na eho behia se be ware Pentecost ni se no be ye obetemase me ye Jehovah Witness die na ma me mpo ba bi nso a ono nso kwa Jehovah eho behia se be consider sa ne ma we nyina na se ni wiase akonanim se wiase akonanim emnie metwamu enya fe na obehwe se we ye kroboni we ye egbeni we ye nzimani we ye fantini edu se me be wade na gi se me kofa dabi eho behia se be consider sa ne ma we nyina eho behia se be consider partner we choose na asode a okọ oye Pentecost ni oye Jehovah ni se na be ya ma setena no ntiase beba mu na nkonkoba se edakwasi adaba ma se me kwa asode oba so se da bi eda memre da na me so me kwa asode ni nyina ho behia se be consider sa ne ma no se na entiase ana se pepeye ebeba wade anim ana se ususu se be bia mre kɔ no ene ma se wiase kɔ na nim ntia ho hia se sa ne ma ni nyina ebehwe ene ne yenkoma yedi na no pai ewo ye street vibe dwumadie ne ho enti ye bisa se nkoma yi wodwen ho sen ye hwɛ sa ne ma na se na mre kɔ na nim nti ene ma sesa na me hya se fi the beautiful green ho green akwa babiem
ejo so we da baba
yan nkoma ni o
nko be so se wa wonsempa wa makai na no ndi di esi wo ye nuanu TV station so Saturday so ya papa ya de nyina papa shi ye chia ne na no pa bia wo bia ye chia do o se chia mi oni masem ka ne abusuan pa nyene me ka kire o me de tu anim wo de tu mani me na no pa yi o hu se kumi ewiase wo hu ye se aboa bia didi kwa ba bia na som bedwo ena ba bia odwan ope eno de ne kala fufuo no futa no ode bo so ode bebo ne hwene so ode bebo na taa so ode bebo ne dua so enye obi asem ba bia wasum bedwo ena nipa yesa woko enti sa tribe ena asori ena mikromuni no to me emwa ushia obi na nipa no timi ni dwini bom utumi ne fa adwini bom utumi ni tuwa na mo bom mukasa bom ema mo ni suade hunu mutimi ho se muka mo ho bom na se mo betimi achieve in a year time a bra onye ukrom ni a utimi ne bobra ma ne yeye ekuro bi ase ye friend ba bia ne ha eniti se ba bia ne ha dia ene na ni kwan se tribe eye barrier ema wawade anase ema choosing your life partner enti kumie meme de sa asem no aye ka se o ware a enka wubenya enka wawudie mu na nka fa no se de mo ka ne se okrompete du na mo ebika no ohu okrompete bi wadu na mama o ka se kra ye hu ohu enti meme de sa fawudie mu no empo se ya sorry say ye abusua ye area ye kura ufiri mu ye bro no afiri so ye oman ya ufiri mu ni antia na ngofo bebre ware abrofo na abrofo no mo mfiri hen so mo mfiri ye die mu ati ase enti se we bitimi Ghana ni ana say black etimi ko ware foreigner e wa aburochire mampanimfo gitum dia ene na wo ba ya ye die mu ha there shouldn't be a barrier. There shouldn't be a barrier at all. Se nipa no ni nipa na dwere be ko ben kromu na se ntiase be ye adwuma na se nyansa no wo ho na mutimi reason bo mu nkwa de a I think say language ni shouldn't be a barrier.
Yeah. The beautiful green o ye da se abisu abramu na kire wadwene men komo green o atia no e de na wo kan fa ye komo ho 0551598321 0550055522 0551598321 yenkwa hamane so na ye ne abusuafo ntwetwe nkomo hwan you.
Hello Kumi.
Yes sir.
Good morning.
Honorable Ditchesin.
Yeah.
Honorable Ditchesin anopete saying
Nyame adom me ho ye pa na wo zo ho te say.
Yehu adom ye ho ye honorable ni o.
Teachers in you.
Honorable Neo.
Teachers in you.
Honorable. Ube cast and one megidini. One me bo when samna ne wati. Mpacho kan wasem. Dabi sa di twese ho a dadini no ensene ha.
Sir, who is the forecast? We say no man on tackle say no more den.
Omut. Nti mu trouble ma mo fam ko nya fie ha.
Ibi e konsa ene one.
Honorable ye ko na nya fie ha na mo betu abom.
Honorable ye ntie.
Okay, you kui. Era was say I don't pense say we see there. And then the first time me Obapa Gino ya ni. My from be Kenya no aka ma me no. Because I think say ntia se no hunya. Temu mi no motimo ho ase emfa ho ni ba bia mu firi. Emfa ho ni abusia mo ba na so mo ya firi so. Ni nyina ye ntia se sem be ba ko no matimo ho ase. Eno ne hia. Ntimi so ma gyen no.
Honorable Medase.
Hey. Honorable di twese ne da se.
Hey.
Honorable di twese ne da se.
Hey.
Enti honorable di twese na ya tene nka no honorable di twese nkyerem se sese no wiase akonanim nti
na odi ya dusie na mupie ya dusie
honorable di twese ne da se wate enkomo ya no honorable di twese ne da se mpacho hwan nie.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bra Kwame. Bibi aboko.
Nyamina dum.
Me pa cho muntu kumi for mami wate na maka wontie.
Mate. Nyamia sunje kama no.
Enka wonso.
Mini abagrino. Me pa cho di menim ne fanti aso kunfama adwumaru amame.
Matia.
Anope manchani de ende me aponi aye papa. My food will be a review of a shake, Marie, Moffentia, and Mammy, and now, I'm not going to be an office for say, ready, my.
Yakuno, in Tennessee, said, be Adam.
They won't to make a copy time a radio band and doing somewhat the other.
All right, Kwame, ain't you?
Be try my seminar. I mean, says some way, no. They met me a cat. Yen, my many yam papamu, any yen anamo, any after food you must count, and my son your man went to be. In so called while you be only the secret, I know would be only any quarter. No. And your man a chum, which abroad for food to make a wally different. It's a so few chromo. I know you're in the crew minute. And no name can't manage me near the entry. Send me a way near Metnakowali, who be oye, Proboni, and Fantini. A Mabusiani, the entry of Busani Tumpon. By a castle, we are finding over Wally Fantinia, a best of Busiano or a Suji about my. Send me a way in Namico, a little and a chimney. A ma or dog, and Tiasiade, a bat or minum. You know about Greenway Argimpa.
You. Kwame anapa yeda se ene wadwenkyra wo de aboa yedwumadi yeda se 0551598321 0550055522 0551598321 afeina odo afide na to ayemo akwaba na ye nkomotia wa yedi nkomo na yesusu ho abisa se baby awiase kone baby a Ghana yakoye ni makodu na ho behia se oba ukowade ana se bema ukowade na se u choose your life partner ho behia se obe consider tribal nipa no eye ho behia se obehwe asode ya nipa no edamu ni gidi a ekura no me kromu de se me kroboni ntimi wade kroboni babusua mu de yese nton we ne ebo ntie ne ebe wade nso a yen wade nton we ho behia se baby awiase akoda ni makodu na ho behia se sa ne ma ni nyina no ye be me ani ahwe ana se ehyi oba na ni suban ye no ye betimi awade no ene ne yen koma na no pa ye di ewo ye street vajumadi ni so ntia fe no waba ye mo akwa ba nyira waba fie ye numbers ne ye 0551598321 0551598321 and I say 0550 055522 brema na kyerɛ wadwene na yɛnkɔ yɛnim enti green so far no nipa mienu ɛna ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo deɛ say wiase akɔ n'anim nti no
sa pepepe
yo hello
yes
why
the frame opening
opening day
oh me 75 years
ye bisa say edini ye den opening day
nyaako
opening nyaako
okay
what tinka
opening nyaako
hello
okay
all right
opening yentie we
aja wadaru ma ofre finfa
me friend so doko
yo wadaru ma yentie o
unim from your marriage one obi ohwa usu enene kede ana mi kro a wofim ana tribe a wofim eye my my grandfather be 75 and son of my mom and son of my father my papa on him mommy die and uncle wale and my grandfather and my papa obo pame lukun adenje obo pame and lukun or more treatment they didn't fit cry back and now cool back. Asama at 75, my grandfather can't even know. Nti uko waria ehunya pa woni imisi am see up to today I'm telling you a fact ye wari agbefo a enihe enkoyi
yo opanya ko wadaruma yeda se waboa ye na yenkomo yi yedi akọ yenim yeda se pa opanya ko ewo odoko yeda se 0551598321 0550055522 wadaruma se yedi nkomo na ye momode ase be hwe se ye mmo tribe bi edin na se ye mbo asode bi edin nana meka no na meka ede aye nkyerechemu ede aye mfanto se nana ye nkomo no enti ase beba mamti wadaruma oba mmo tribe bi edin na me de yesusu dua ede ama se na obete ye nkomo na ase enti yeda se mpacho hwani o hello ana nye nipa hey masa anope no ama asamando aben sa no 0551598321 and I say 0550055522 enti se no yenya nipa ba ko a ono so kire se
tribe
hu hia pa enti ajanya ko aba abegina the other side enti aye 21 okay 0551598321 0550055522 yefa 2 course enka hona yemfa ofrejumade no ensi ha na yenko yanim na yente nkomo ba ko bi so emfi ho enti ye bisa se mbabi asese ya abrabo na kodu ni babi awiase akona nim akodu no se ye choose life partner ho behia se be hwe tribe nipa no eye asode a wokọ nyina no ebe nkomo a ewo se yehwe ansana yakaso nipa idie baby adui yebetimi awade na na 0551598321
This is my ringile mami fa share unsa odotia sie mami mami fa share unsa odona komi muye mami fa share unsa nyetra fa kuye na machre wodopa eh odobi wonti na minto dino oh my baby tell me mancha, no chala manya. You treat me fine, me go ale, you share you cry, oh yeah. Oh don't think that you treat me to know me quanko, yeah. Oh don't think that you treat me to know me that no, oh yeah. You tell me mancha, no chala manya, hey. You treat me fine, me go ale, you share you cry.
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Oh my baby. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Yeah, yeah. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. You drive me crazy. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Yeah. I'm your sad. I'm in shower kawa.
Max FM 89.7.
Oh yeah. I'm your sad. I'm in shower kawa. Yeah. They try my side. So leave me my. Oh yeah. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Oh my baby. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Yeah, yeah. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Drive me crazy. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Yeah. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Oh my baby. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Yeah, yeah. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Drive me crazy. I'll be a wanting I'm into Dino. Yeah.
Welcome to Tuesday morning. Max FM 89.7.
Your friend Banti B, a friend you will bon some chalote. Now Banti Edward Daruma, who she have bon somewhere in a say bon somewhere chalote. Edio Yenchia Banti B in a bushia phonina, Yayan and Chese, a bushia for the war and Cranina 80, almost can say Banti B, ever good from him. Edaba say. Na and no our street vibe no no our people's parliament no ye ne professor we afi betwetwe nkomo na ye bedi nkomo dia fa emema ye ne emada emema mo ne emada mo no maduru mesremo anyame ya me dem mesremo ye bedi nkomo dia fa emema na dia we me de me ho kra ka ho ma ne de me got him to say, Mamma, your name, my Diana Bedroom. I mean, what? You better come out your fire, and Mamma say, Money, my bed, Monumedru. Mamma, who are on your back, Coda. Mamma, who are on your back, Coda, one pimpam your men, Sienia. Mamma, who on your back, Coda, one pimpam your men, Sienia.
Never to be in
what you say. Inti akwaya dia mema taye pa
but wonim say eno nso na ekumu no
yebewu omewu Mr. Ombewu.
Hey.
Ombewu.
Wo de mu bewu. Nti aya mu ja ma no.
Ombewu.
Emu Viagra.
Emu
ho
amodi. Hai kwa ho. Amodi Mr.
De aya atadwofo ne de to mo yi no so de friend is.
Oh, say no podi and say ye dro.
Sa.
Atadwofo date.
Da bi I diatia bi na ye omo de.
Oh, enu podi say ne de say ye natural.
Enu ye natural.
Enu de
okay, nti artificial de ne bi a ma body no. Viagra ne. Spray oh yeah.
And body what they can spray as a spray me different so.
Sir.
Oh, na say spray na nye back.
De here de here. No de me Viagra dragon. And oh, kumi body na me tie. Mebo ani so na za ne da za bo a wo betimi aye survey
mebo ani so me
na na ba kwa se me wo ni so me hu ani so
me kra ye ai dragon ya bo ka me nim
ka wuni ndi aya na wo use dey wo use dey holy me ka wasem me fa ho magin ko wo mu kumie me say wo no se si asa wakoye bema e na bema no so no wa unim se eja atadwufo die wo se no ye natural enti sa atadwufo die yi ye natural die a ene na artificial ni bia me body ye se ye wo Viagra ye wo dragon ena enti o de suma me ena me bisa wo se enti wo no se de wo si di wo hu gym enti wo no de wo use de na wo use pain
me use
exercise ne dey exercise ben sana we use
me exercise
nti exercise ben
press up
ne exercise nko na sa de na ka say exercise da press up dada nti e press up baby
me de no exercise
u tiraza u nyuso dro
okay bra
u nyuso artificial bia na se sensa ni bi okura monom kura na eno so enti ensa ben
se etoda o kofie sana ana se eben sana e wo se wontimi empempam ne mansie ni
na yes na ne mantimi nyina gina so
e wo se wontimi ensusu oba no na mpam nhye no
oh okay enti ya na mususu oba no na mapoma hye no
ne ya pempam ne ma de asie ni
na mo de akwahye ne na afa
ne de akwahye oba no na afa
nti niema be na afa so o kekasi ani a ya o pempam si ani no niema be bisa
oh se ne de behwe material wani je ho
nti material ben sa na wakobia oba na ni je ho a wopamoye esi ani de ko hye no
ewo me side na
ewo wo side
o se tie nda
what is one of the bio
o se tie nda
nti material ben bisa nti se do skasa wo pompam si ani no nti no di ade na wo pompam di si ani
oh se uhu se adwuma beba so a na o si krom a enti eno sa no unya ayi a odi bi agum
unya di ade a
unya ayi so a odi bi
ato ano unya di ade a unya di ade a
unya ayi so a odi spray
body unya di ade a unya di ade oh kumi ade na onya
okay better say that
way nkwankomo unya di ade a
bra betina se
unya di ade sister Irembra unya di ade
o ya say obi nyusu bi woni so da ede enso no tu ani ya
ade no bi nyusu woni so da ade na wunya bi wasa na makoye mmema enti mu na munim the kind of product mu use said e be ya mu betumi
oh say once we na akoye ye bi akobo product bi dia na wo ya advert
oh ya advert sa okay see ye wo spray ye wo de ye nom ne ade
enti no ye tafre so
nti na no de he na ye tafre no
I respect you know, but it's not a pleasure, so yeah.
Your friend calculator akwankwa. Ade na ye misa nwum ye ma ye boss ene ne ye adwuma o ha boss Ricky. Enkoma o. We dey report na na ye no. Osio ya dia mana come hu. Man, this is open. I know. Ye pempam de show, Massa, when you jump. ɛyɛ no mu su sɛ nkɔdaa enti mɛma no ɛnɛ mo ntwɛn yɛn mateɛ nɛ yɛne Professor Wiafia Kente bɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ mɛma no a mota ɛsesa gum ɛpempam ɛkeka nneɛma de si ani ansa na makɔsi ani no ɛnɛ yɛne dɔ ka bɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ na yɛbisa sɛ ɛyɛ ne kwan so anaa sɛ ɛnyɛ nso anya yɛhu na ɛbɛyɛ na afei yɛhu kwan ɛfɛ deɛ ɛbɛfa so ɛbɛyɛ yɛ na afei deɛ tɔda na yɛde nkora deɛ ɛna no na madamfo bi a na mene ne twetwe nkɔmmɔ sɛ ɛma yi yɛwo na akɔdaa na yɛhyɛ aseɛ de nsuo yi ɛyɛ nti no ɛbɛyɛ saa no akɔdaa no ɔba no koraa bɛnyi na afei deɛ biribi agyene ɛne saa no anyɛ yi a ɛbɛyɛ den sɛ yi bɛyɛ yi because akɔdaa no su ana no yɛfiti konko to ne yɛde ayi ayɛ yi na afei ɛyɛ yi afei ɔbɛnyi no bɔn sɛ afei ayɛ yi nti ɛne saa no
ɔbɛnyi no ayɛ den
ɔbɛnyi no ayɛ yi
ayɛ yi bɛyi
agyene
deɛ na agyene ɛdeɛ na agyene
Like I'm at the sofa, you do one side, you do more free. Osio ya dia mana ya meya. Osio ya dia mana.
And yankwana menso the beautiful grino ehwe. And then so kwambia so meso minia ba hwe. Grino wan say toda. Obi kasa. Yetimi kasa na yesio. Enkomo we de enye phone so nkomo.
Yeah.
Enkomo we de
banu asem face to face yeah
impo okopa adwuma yetimi ka se emfre nipa no ofon so kɔ ne office na oni ni nkomo etoda nso a se okɔ wade okodi dwumade bi na ohi obi akogyawa utimi fre nipa no ebo na mane ofon so nipa no emma ubisa na ɔse o wa mama mane ofre mu ofon so no ka kyerɛ me ba phone so no the same asem na o ka kyerɛ no but okɔ ne nkyɛn so a the same asem na obɛyɛ den obɛka kyerɛ no difference ben na ɛwɔ nkɔmɔ a yɛdi no ɛwɔ phone so ɛna nkɔmɔ a yɛdi no face to face anaasɛ one on one difference ben na ɛwɔ mu because metimi aka asɛm bi akyerɛ ɛwɔ phone so asɛm na metimi aba w'anim aba bɛka sa asɛm na nso akyerɛ but wobɛtimi aka sɛ asem no me frɛ wo bɔ wa amane o phone so mamma wani ma me bɔ amane nti no se me hia wo de ai bibia o ma anasa asem no wante so onim ne saa enti difference ben ene wo enkomo a yedi no e o phone so ena enkomo a yedi no one on one
kumie eye me de asem we de akofa ba eye de papa pa onim se what impani kasa we bi da enipa ni masem ka te se kotwa mansa what bi da what in penny in da what da nipa ni mu a yegina ka asem e different from say wuni wo bi kasa wo phone so nipa ni masem ka ye du papa and ye African especially Ghana ye believe ni say asem hia and ye ni obi kan face to face eninti say asem no ekoba ni say ehia wo na se wa anko nipa ne nchen na wo frɛ no phone so na wo kampo na the waiter ko nipa no ho no the wo be si adi code no obedi code on a lighter note me patro ya ti ase eninti difference a ewo mu ne se wo ko nipa nanim akoka asem no mu ye du asene se wo fa phone e dia frɛ nipa no mind you me first ana phone in my no ye disseminate information ye wo ways I disseminate information ye ko nipa no kobo na mane eni nti asem hia wo hoyi ehia soma na esa hia badwema wo beka no eni nti no se obi ka asem kire obi e wo phone so na nipa no hunu ni se o me ka kire ni phone so nti esese nka wodi so a se bim enye ne kwan so na enye ne fe so no enye asem bia na sese wo ka no phone so because empanimfo aka say nipa nim kasa wo hoti se kotwa mansa nipa nim kasa edu asem wo wubu afu sesen wo betima bobo wa adwene wo phone so but hu obi nipa nanimu ano na afe akere wo se no e wo sa wo hwe wo nkasa yeye and into phone so nkomo de ye di ni on a lighter note but so person wasem ni mu ye du na e carry weight a ko nipa nanim na ene ne nkasa asem a ye ka no face to face emu odu si na asem a wo be fere obi na waka kire no e wo mobile phone so komi wo bi sa me a we mansa no e ye tie nipa nim asem ka wo edu dan say wo be fa phone afere obi
0551598321 0550055522 0551598321 ye bisa se ensonsone ben ana se difference ben na wo phone enkoma yedi no e wo phone so ene nkoma yedi no face to face na se no green no ye na ye nim se mobile phone abekan ho
kumie me ma wa no nsi the fact that mobile phone aba bekan ye ho na nkire se ye yire be free ya mamre ene ya mane ye nananom dia ne ho ye the fact se mobile phone abenti ne rebe fi da bi enam di kanka mi si nipa ni masem kan wo edu na nipa ni masem ka tse ko twa mansa because asamu a wo betimi afre wo bi akeka wadwene wo phone so no se nipa ni gina wanimu a wontumi nka sa asem na nkire ne basa sa asama ye kan wo nipa nim emu odu pa
green so be mem
me so
so dia mu na me o so be so fa wo be mu na so wa no kasa ya fesa hello
good morning.
Yes pacho din ba ya frefi
Okay,
ben frefi fa
okay
yo wada no ma ye ntio
online driver
yo ye bisa se ensoso ne ben na won koma yedi na phone so ne enkoma yedi no face to face
they are living in Kano and then they are doing a baby and you are living
sechemu
cause we see aka family assembly week no everything it is a say the panel the panasa I don't know the you assembly phone so e na ya more than so we could join it is one any baby any assembly coming where the canapa cause a single why it can emergency message and you asama ewoso wonko nipa nini nti wa sendia ne koyan ko so a obe deliver no a nipa no obe so mapa but so that
Matthias ya pa ben
you know your asama yadi nya fe yanko nipa nini ko kan chere no ene wa asama e wo fi yanka wo fo so ya fi ni ko ni no ma so eta but ya wa asama e se wonko nipa nini ene wa asama e so nka wo fo so nti e emergency
you ben anopai yeda se ene wadwenkyra de aboa yendwumadi 0551598321 0551598321 0550055522 ensonsone ben ene won koma yedi no face to face ene enkoma yedi no
ben anti masie what he has me saying nipa nim kasa wo hoi edu ena enye asem bia na wo se wonka e wo phone so asem a ye ka e wo nipa face to face e ya asem a e ya asemia e ya asem a modu se ne wo betimi afre obi enkomotwetwe eno ne ye normal ayi what is a nipa ne taking on a lighter note na asem a ye asem a demand asem ni nipa de ye nka ne phone so me point no and it is say what ka difference a woman between asem a ye kan phone so ni asem a ye kan face to face asem emu odu asem hia and ye kan face to face and na wo pese obi hu say why you serious or wasem a wo ka ho a ye mfa phone frɛ nipa ya mamre mu ni amaniem na nam di kan ye no first ana mobile phone ma na ye tubofo nyansani ni wakwaka asem di a kyerɛ obi me pacho yate ye ho ase eni nti no se ye ntumi nja ya mamre ni amane enka say because of phone ti ni sabio wo maami awu wafro obi abona amane just that e go se wafro nipa na abona amane no ti mu pam san ko bo nipa amane so oh se ni sa atome ana wa se mihia bi ese se wo bi nti no se ni na atome ba ye mfa phone enka se mihia wo phone so enka se no eye nkomo nti no nipa no frɛ na eye de sem nkomo no ya mfa phone mfra emfra obi nka se mia wo phone so
grino so Hello.
O sa man wa be yi me ka bi wo ho.
Kafra. Hello.
Hello, Kumi.
Ye hwan?
Honorable Dickerson, myself.
Honorable Dickerson. Yo, Honorable Dickerson yentie we.
Yo, Kumi, sɛ ɔbaba bi na ɔka no. Yɛwɔ nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ no mu a wobɛka yɛmfa phone ɛmfrɛ nipa ne nka. Obi te sɛ panyin bi wɔ hɔ no de bɛdi nkɔmmɔ bi wɔ ɛnu nkwa sɛ ɔfa phone ɛfrɛ no ɛsɛ ɛnkyerɛ obuo. Ɛna another example nso yɛ sɛ ebi a ofɛre fo obi ofɛre o asɛm bi wɔ hɔ pɛ sɛ ɔne ne ka no face to face a the way I will be taking on so far the phone so now open phone so na ka on taking it sir the boy I don't know be just ba o kind of phone so o hu ni no wait I ka so da bi but o hu ani mo e di anka decision be taking it I think say enye nsem nyina na egina phone so ka obi wo e so odi obu obam na okọ ni pana na ase na sa na be da san kan da aware obi o ko aware da be ka so me ye buba mo ni ama na ma ne wa aka oba no asem ofon so ese njiro bu ntine nsem bi o ese okọ empanifo na ase ana so nipa na ase na na akuka
Honorable ni o
Dickerson ni o
yo Honorable Dickerson yeda se 0551 Ofrefin rem
oye o de enko eni
na o hwa we obefra fifie
so asini nipa no ma ntakra bo no wonu ma ntakra se no tu nti wangasa no wunti fie wo agire ni fie.
Hello, good morning.
Yes sir.
James Nimgaze fra Adenta.
Yo James yentie we
me se wa me nya wo dan no ba ko
empa cho me dan ben ya
se wo jengro so wa to adan esi ti adan de dent ka me pe ba ko dan ma de
empa cho jengo ni de odi achi abetu medro kume kwa mesra wo plot kwa me misa bi da
wo tutu mama sisi bab
mate
yo James yeda se etio
the American say in fact black no any me boy any ya my chen anka this time around that technology abed nka nyoma bebe to me the phone yet but no ko yesi sia o better say umbu ade ni ade apart from warrior and share ni ade na we tran ho ye no anka ade message there obetumi aka bia no ke kan phone si anka ya hwe but send wo boy ya say ye no na ye nti ade nti the boy kan phone so kra o fi say umbu ade anka ya hwe mom nti mom ye si ananka ye practice bi na ebe bo ayi na edade.
Yo, James Yanso, yada say 0551598321 0551598321 but Grino ya can say no say obi so timi okay we de mama nwie we na.
Okay.
Hello, Honorable Kumisi.
Honorable gift is gift ya saying
ready yambe gizi me say mo ba kumidi ni yade ya sani mu nyina o
mesro yade bia ni meso so yade o me ho ye ba ko pe
gift yankwai
gift yentie o
nyame adro ma me na ozo da Yesu ase kumisen
mami yentie o
oh say I didn't know when I only panic on phone so I drove. And the bishop so who pano director, if they were in 5 years and it's on to me cry now, obey you who be. I walk out only friend of phone soon and they come back say you answer why I was a winner, and they are now on sign. In the papa moody, I won't pan face.
Gift you know I can't say no. Say me bank me pe ba ko de ayade na me pe na e phone so be si ne o si yo so maintain nka ono aka asem no pa cho mate ne me pompe me frɛ no ate and me po me frɛ no na ye hia na ye di nkomo no face to face because ye di nkomo no phone so
enye
me hia na ante ne nka
rabasa
tu e na say me ko face to face
unie na mini
na eno no ohu say ma esi
eyeball
so ati ase ti atin say eno so
enu beboa na
say no nkwada ya abai yan time no na ye pe ma na na me kra me kase entime ase manyia se me ho twam bi me se me
ho twam sa do
me se me ho twam ye me se fe kra na me gina na so
a ve na wusi so ba
na me pem ni yi pa
a ve na ve de
me pem ni yi
ready ya me
bab so me ho twam ye me se
me bia wo firi ho adwo
o yo baby na o feli ho mo ya me se 02471299 me ya advert me se me ya advert me Samo ma twasa me ho twam ye afi na me gina me nan so pa etina me ka say first no okay me kan na me fa me nka first no say e pemma
yeah
1 ba se say nkoda ya abai onya je o number no aje WhatsApp number na de nkomo na fa WhatsApp ye ana so say omo pene fa
that's all omo pene omo fa that's ebu amu hia ana omo pene bi na nsa
kan wie ne de ye pene de ya ka bi ya WhatsApp de
ya say e pa abafo
say aye you
crowd
first rank adwuma na mu ode pa
say Epe has lost its credibility Epe abafo
o ye chi Obama okra so ne oba ngina
one problem
enye easy
aye problem because we one better tatatari dua nche mu ne dan ya chi saa say ye den mu betimi akokokwa udi kokwa na nsa akwankwaja no
ne awokọ no so
ba we kwaja no ye wani day no ana adwon betimi agya ho kwa be 10 times
mama ibi
what you say
ankosi hwe Stella madam fu bi tie me Stella mabo ne di onim no ankosi hwe
say emu aye ha
say emu aye so nya nipa no number WhatsApp na na chese
emu aye ha
or that to the
it shouldn't be so emu aye ha dodo ye dispensation we no ho ya taking them on a lighter note amania ma bi wo ho no mo a we don't care but high pa
ba se so ne memu eden ene ma bi anka obekọ enkomo bi abekọ central region Tamale no akodi na ye se mobile phone na wo ho
ana me chere
se se ye ntia se phone na bekan ho
kumie ya ti ase se phone na ba bekan ho
abrochire na ya wade ama no
the fact that phone abekan ho na nche se ye ntu ye de ntu nchene da bi ana won se callers ne kan ani die kwan so no obuo mu no yenka asem hia wo phone so o asa wan kasa no nye serious o yenka asem hia wo phone so dabi obi kan o se asem hia de ye kan twi wo kan kasa nipa no beti ase not necessarily twi ba kasa nipa no beti ase ahun se obu ono ma se de o kan ye wo ka wo pe wo bi wo phone so nipa na ampene but wo ko na nim face to face a enka nipa no obehu bi ko hu obehu se ye wo ye ne spec what you say asem hia de bra yenka de phone so o ko nipa ne nchen na ne nka ye de no nipa ni masem kan ho edu ye de no why
yate nanadu
abe piem
akwaba
gumi mejo so ade achi me de medi afe
ami ene ye di nkomo ne yebisa se difference be na won nkomo yedi no e phone so ene nkomo yedi no one on one
difference kakra
ede na ma difference be
no nze ni penim edu kakra compared to phone difference kakra ade bi o ha ogina wani ma ne nkan ne different from one na kan phone so most of the time you know depending on the individual obi o ha or you bold in telling you some things on phone ohun na so nani tuawa ontumi nka obi also depending on asem ni muduro no or kan phone so a not to train na kakra but ohun a peking kan na o de ato ho so it depending on when the person maybe the background ogina yeah, depending on asem no so enti nkomo o phone so any physical it can never be the same
yeah
what did I make an say it's very important and interesting issue kase pa na mo dey atoba maso and most of the time no you share the age bracket between wo ni nipa na oni ni di nkomo no any that reason we decide this same way obeka wo phone so ana say wo sia na obeka fa asem to ba maso ebia wotinkan ha nkan ha de ba ko ni yedi emia pa ye rent issues when you somebody bit to maboa
yeah
the weight of the issue when you are speaking on phone will be different when you are with the person
yeah
ade ba ko in life and they say ya no betuma di ntro ye ni ntro
very true
abraba ye boy
odi ntro kwa nipa no hwe wani ma
wa no betuma di ntro ba wani endi ntro there is something that connects our mouth and our mind. So immediately you decide to lie some more. Or be a smarter, it reflect on your eyes.
Yeah.
Until when you meet somebody now, they are some
baby, who's
that? There's some yet way. What I say? Assemble out to bomb me crana, metina holding crana, me body gestures. I remember number big man be then time no pay be aside. Number pay Monsieur say my boy. Tell it. No say you can go and meet a big man be ebia dia wo ye no cash you. But the fact say be binti what can go be a small force I what in the horn when you timpo bi.
Yeah. Yeah.
So at that period no present here assembly here okra na sa asin kutu ebi no. But sa dey be antwa dwen so you may take who say normal.
Ti sa pahin hu say oni obi
me say ebia na me ke dia go say me normal kan polo bala me come ni na me dey agro ono hu the normal but ono no e kire me say you can go and meet somebody on that part of you into your tell say ebi kwa na asam na me time I category na nya asem bia but the fact say what na ni na mo present here asam ka be go obi asum no ohu say dey obeka nyina no nya no kure so ni pendim die any phone so it can never be the same.
Tiyen komo nyina na e wose ni na
it's never the same.
But no be so kase say mobile phone abekan ho no na ye de ye ne ma hodo piece say fe na obetu kwa kwa northern region en kwakwa akodi nkoma obra betimi de sa nkomo no awie.
It depending the weight of the issue. It depending the weight of the issue. Adie bia be hia obi nsem mu akese asem bia wan ko depending no wan fan koto nanim a bisie bebo enye fon so o ba asem bi o ha mo fa se e wasi ni bae no wenya legon mo fa se BC ni bae no wenya preseko aye normal but asem bi o so dia
ya to ase first no na na ya busuafo o sahwi no so obi wu o sahwi a na ya soma nipa no na abebo ya mane ba se so obi wu a o mutimi frɛ first no na nka nipa na ye soma no obi wu a na ya soma no na abebo amane no obi wu a na ya soma na abebo amane na oba na card ne behwe ho
no kura ne depending on the weight obi o ha still esa wo de nsa ko nanim
ko sine ye sa pepepe
yo ya bedaba ade ye behia wan nko ba bia the boy ade ye behia mo ye ne doctor be twetwe nkomo mema na mo no maduru ansa na mo ne mada no mo nyina me hwe mani ma
o mo ba no maduru
FC ba sisi ana ye de yesu da ni na to aswe
Ebusian 4 your friend Nana Dakwa Jesse the host of the Max Sports Park Max FM 89.7 efi joada ekosi fiada ebo nonkru kosi se dumienu bebo a program no air live on Max FM. Na ni kasem ne se die ya system ebo nondu kosi se dumienu bebo a program no esan live on Max TV. Eho ene ye boran crofama so ni akofa the major leagues around Europe, Bundesliga, the La Liga, the Premier League, Dutch Eredivisie, ene de kikaon. Afeso so ebo na kutukubon sem dia eno ene Max TV, Max FM. Unim se Bukom Boxing Arena. The biaya ho professional boxing league ya de hun semina ebeba Max Sports Park jumedie no so afeso so Ghana Premier League, the Women's Premier League and the Division 1 League. There is the statistics and all the details you want to know about the local football and afempo agudi ensema ekoso yemaemu your segment this is the predictor emu hwampa ya the matches beba ya be more odds now so what's me atwa dibi sounds so any of the big interviews and penifo kukudan omo kasa edimu ewo Ghana any wiase agudi ensem omo any omo atwetwe komo inti shiame minima bedwafo efiti joada ekosi fiada ewo Max FM and Max TV.
Mensa Kamekao.
Now what so dear?
Hey, Charlie, what's it? Imagine buying your favorite gadget and driving home a sleek saloon car.
Oh yes, with Max Buys You Shop You Drive promo, every purchase brings you closer to amazing prizes.
Just shop any product from Max Buy between 7th November to 31st December
and stand a chance to win a sleek saloon car, TVs, smartphones, and more. Your next buy could make you a winner.
So what are you waiting for? Shop now and let's make your dream drivable with Max Buy.
Max Buy. You shop,
you drive. For further enquiries, call Max Buy on 054 401 9552. Terms and conditions apply.
This promo is being run by the NLA on the Caritas Lottery platform.
Smogans is feast time. Join us on Monday, 8th December at 8 a.m. sharp at the Reverend Mother Bernadette Assembly Hall for the 2025 Feast of the Immaculate Conception, a day of Mass, Thanksgiving and giving back, including a special donation to Kolibu Children's Department and the induction of Smoga 2015. Dress in your elegant Smoga cloth and celebrate our theme, honoring our founders, living the faith, serving with truth and virtue. Proudly sponsored by Smoga 2001. Smoga, Veritus Veritas.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. Nobody
can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. 'Cause reggae is
89.7 will roll, will rock. Max FM, what do you do, Okita say?
Kumi kasa eye baako pɛ edin no eye baako pɛ menkɛsene kwasiada untumi fa duadan so untumi fa bladan so kumi ututu ka ututu dam ututu tam waje bam watu fie watu bum watu todan obaje bam betu kam kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Maji tina me dane di wunji di misibisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi fe be aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM kosua fili masaya se
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
All right, I'm saying, I'm going to Fabra Max 89.7, Mass Morning, the UN was to do so. We your friend Kumikasa. Your friend that I have cooked. I see we see a Berman 100 Ghana. They say, Berman is Rassism. We see our Echna Brefi. That bed now best time with you. Oh dear, I can't be Baba when you be weird at Thomas and Behunyansa. And to Wada. I'm saying, Yane Doctor David, Professor, we have Yakin Baba Tree and Como, ya Baby do Comedia Fa Endura Yana, Yata fan sana ya compem. Ne Papa Mana send a bonimu. I thought that while Timmy Fed Robert is here, ready and Maria Sumiti Pie me. Ha, my bread. hwan kura na share me say me nkono madrin waji feeling na wie na oti pai wo ya papa bi nto wada da onyankopo ase ye ne doctor Yafia Kentena ba betwetwe nkomo ede na ede saade ne ba ede na be ka se be ma be ka so se ma ho ade aba fam ntiji se me no madru ansa na me ne oba hia mu eya ne ye ka ne se ye duro ne mema nko a na enum ana se ma ne so timi no mi ho na nya so mfa so be ma ne che wo mpam no oba no so aji feeling ho na nya so mfa so toda oba bi kra timi sa ne krusa na waduro no wanfa awo emema ye emema bre o emema bre menim ho he doka kwaba bre o emema
na onu mu he na di adanse kronkron za
obi die
bakwa se dume ya ye
tipe ya adanse eri
me ba bro guti mi fe bi me wi aso ti pa
aga koto di oni tire ni tipe ya odi adanse sen o ti be pa papa
obi atwa bu ni kachi ni panka
nka twankansa
be pai wo
ka fra kumie ne we de wudi hu adanse ampa
asa
we de ka
sa no mo ka
sana wa mo ka do ba kwa ba
do ka juma mu tse
ada roma boko mejiri se mo smart ye we su mo su mo di kan
ya joso ni edi kan be do ase do ke nim se waso ye de ya na adagie ni ho
obe ne dan
nanso wagye ato ho so se Max FM ye fra wo nko ade a obeba
yesu jani o ya wa daje
ampa asemo do ka kwa be do ka no pay ba be di nkomo ne ahwe ndura hodo etoda mema efa sane yakọ o ma kompam omu chirim se eya na emoma ni gika ma mutimi bom homoden ma de ani ge ba wade mu doc say ne kwan so a
kwan bi ye kwan bi nso ya chewacho kwan bi nso nya kura enti no ye behwe ne ye ene ne yakon kakra ene ne enya kura na mesan chie tiefu ahwefo nyina na mekasa Max de agiba bia ansempa nko a na ye hwa bema se obekase wani agi wompam no ejina nia open ne tenten so se mra he na ope ene oba na ono ne da ho no ono nso na tenka se ben no ana se emen no ene se ne anka unya ya anka open so ama ni obi hunu se wa ye pa wa bodwuma pa no e obi nso 2 minutes ni obi hunu se o oba ne se we de mi wura wa mani age ene de enyi akonhoma mebo nkwane no wa bo akuapem nkwan na ebi nso afante nkwan no wa bo no saa de na obi kanfo no obi nso etrese wa anya hu saa na tie enti gina nea onipa no epe ene be kire se wa ya adwuma na wa anya adwuma obu onso a ene dwumadie no be hyase yakura no ede nsa fa ni tiri hu no na yo no de wa kọ na bonten wa anya adwuma na kura nso asai ne etie ne se wani so empemponso se be kwakoduru baabi no ejina baanu no ene biem nso be ma se ka kire se wa anya hu a okra akura timi dwane firi mu na se uhu se ye saa de we de abu abam ama wa wo kon biem kura wa anya kukuduru a be ma no kura nsore kura no akosan se be ma na ebo anim ho no eya no wo mpe animgu ase eya no wo pe me bo abaso me de tomagu abati me bo so o wa ya de e ba sa ni tirimu ya ne de na emom se oni be ma ofie na ebi amoye ba kono na fe adwo o so twia o su be ma papa ben no o kan sa wakum na sunsum kura ma wan ra next time kura nsore e de ani wo pe ba bi atene nti obeka so okopeduru a e be ma na hoodene ebi won so anu onyare o na ye nkura hye no ohia ana ebiem nso ebu ana be ma ne nyare but abufuo bi eda hwa nopa a man so vu na nwumre ne nam so ade akwa nadwo na da bia mukasa edi ntokwa abubar mu ho kasa amre no musia na ntesa o na ɛyɛ adwuma kama wani agye afei deɛ mode mpo atwa hyehyɛ mo ho sa mpenatwefoɔ anaa awarefoɔ ɛna ohunu mu kwan tenten ɛna wani ase abebe ɛna ogu de mpo atwa akutia mpo atwa ebeduru baabi no na ma akoma no dɔ ɛne na tenka a ɛde bɛn ɔbaa no anaa beema no na atekɔ enti yɛka ne yɛ ne yɛka ne meema maa nso wɔ ho deɛ ɛmaa nso wɔ ho deɛ yɛwɔ sɛ bitwawu wɔ hɔ kafra na ɛyɛ no wanka ne saa nso ɛnyɛ yie sɛ baabi wɔ nso ɛfrɛ no twawuo
ọba ne na ne de twa 7 ni twa
awu ɛno nso hɔ ɛyɛ
atenka na awu na ne twa
o yɛ doctor
atenka
jama doctor
atenka na awu ɛde ɛbɛn
o na ba kyerɛ doctor ne onka o yɛ doctor doc na o se dempo
awura kama me
na atenka na awu
kama me
ebi kumi o
eti yɛnhwɛ obi sɛ ɔkɔfa duro na akeka no titiri no mema no
doc ansa na yɛbɛhwɛ no sexual boosters nduro no ɛyɛ nduro bɛn a
ɛyɛ nduro a ida sɛ ɛyɛ natural anaa chemical a yɛde afrafra nneɛma bi a ɛyɛ dɛ sɛneɛ w'ani bɛgye ama omogya ba obɛɛma nim na yɛnhwɛ ne kwan bɔne so nansa nnuro bi wɔ hɔ a te sɛ viagra wakɔfa viagra na ananura edi viagra afra na wabɔ na bia o se o me ko bɔ adwuma o bɛbɔ eduru ba bia o bɛkɔfa no na wuti paawo afa beduru ba bi na obofunu saa o fa enya adwuma biem afa beduru ba bi no ani so biriw na aduro na anya adwuma ɛna yɛfrɛ bibi nso sɛ priapism wo ba ifiri sunyane na eba na wa promise
so say priapism na chese wa priape priapism wa priape na pacho
eno ne chire say obema na gina so ama ntimi nyo
okay
gina so ama ntimi ema fom emoja da wom emoja na yete nkom
priapism
yaka obibi wo priapism gina so ama ntimi nyo ne yete ne say obi asha obose me ba me firi sunyan beba ne aba madina na aka soa oba no na osi dabi ne ne ababa we musika wadi meti ashanan anadwi ne anadwu dum ye nukura ne eginam ena wakọ bo duro se perfume ena be ma ha da twon ena eda opietom oba no awde woni da on se oba no ɛna ɔkyerɛ sɛ ne maame yare nti no sɛne ɛyɛyɛ no ɔteka mu kura nti wasan si ɛti wana ho kora ansa mma ɛna aka wo so saa mmerɛ no wobɛma yɛ ayera ma mu kora yɛ ɔya woanyɛ careful ɛbɛtumi ama gye sɛ yɛde kɔ hospital no yɛapɛ sikama bi ɛne yɛde awɔ ho
ɛde yɛtwa
sɛ so yɛapɛ duro bi ɛbɛna ne mogya ɛna tumi akɔdwo obi yɛ bi saa bujumbura mu ayi anome ɔfrɛ no mekyerɛ sɛ ɔnkɔ nearby clinic ɔkɔɛ no mekyerɛ doctor nso ɔfa nto loud speaker na mene mabranteɛ ne nkasa na nneɛma bi kɔ ɛnkɔ yie na mekyerɛ doctor no loud speaker mekyerɛ sɛ doc mesrɛ wo pɛ sekan a no ɔnam na abranteɛ no aba hɔ no na duru ano no gye wodi twa anaa wode wɔ ho ansa na atumi adwo meka saa wɔte yɛ apɛ no bɛma no starte sɛ adwo wohu sɛ bɛma ɛbɔ yɛ ha mu no yɛ se wopa mu ho fuo a woto ne bɛma ayamhyehyeɛ ma bɛma adwo ayamhyehyeɛ ɛne adwendwene ɛma bɛma adwo ɛti sɛ wobɔ adwuma koraa na wohunu sɛ obi a wode ne ka ɔkyerɛ sɛ anɔpa by 8 na me gyina opona no me bagye me sika wohunu sɛ akoa na ɛfrɛ no wani boss wa ɛka ne ba wa adwene mu abɔ si bɛma na adwo ɛwɔ mu kora ɛbɛdwo ne ɛte ɛti ɛba saa no a meka ɛ no ɔte ya ɔsi yeye betwa de na ɛsɛ me nkwa na nyina mawu ɛhɔ anafo adwo yɛ ɛti ɛtimi ɛnam so ɛma bɛma no sɛ ɔkɔ wiwi nnuro bi ti sɛ cantaridine nnuro bi wɔ a yɛde cantaridine no awɔ no a saa chemical no ɛyɛ poison a ɛtumi ma akoma esizi etimi ma wakoma sizi etimi ma onsunu mu ehonhon etimi ma wakoma yare ema wukowu etimi ma utipaye bone na de ba akoya na ehunu se obu a na obi dada onim se bi ni na ama ne be majo na wakofa aphrodisiac viagra ana se talata vioni fioni no akwakofa no akofa dura cantaridin ni wom ana dura sepral ewom okofa aye no odwene se on de okobo na dwuma obi tuaso saa ena owuye obi tuaso obipi ena wakofa dura aphrodisiac na makoma bo aphrodisiac wakoma ena pompi moja ena obema no entini awom ne yefra ne corpus cavernosum efa otonam na sia ba fa hwa no entam na abayir bema no se kokumba na waanya careful na wakoma yare na titiru emema amadim finishie aduonu mu kɔ no na wo bp wa wunim na wakokofa aphrodisiac se empompi moja ma by force obemu wakoma na tumirika bone so na anim 100 meters square tu ebema moja bam emoja no wanhwe ye ne lusu oxygen kakra na hemoglobin no edi chiwo kakra bi pe ubon se emoja nada afewa ne yesesa papa na gu adiem ede na akọ se okọ away ana wosi akra e beka chiro se wakodi obi ade ntie ne wa eden obema no yabo odua na se oba no yabo na ha mu dua ama wakodi ne eni ena ayiri gina so enso na ewa na ewunim a ukofa aye ena am ye de ntuma bo mu a de okoi konfo sa amre no wadwene be wo se esunsumu asem konfo bedu sika malam beje sofo nso be bon kakra gu so ni nyina no enyo age se duro no ho asepe no ansana aiden ama onso so web ube manajo eti duduo na nam so ema na nka omu ni problem bo ono dwene so okopane so obi bantu okoye top up en wa ko fa duro bi na odi afra rush energy drink en wanom ready adwene wahu enipa adwene na ese etirim no meka tro say 2.5 million gigabyte ba wan we ya udi 2.4 million ebe jimi hu ana odi beda da hu ebe duru ba bi no na kakra na aka no entimi overcome 2.4 na o say no no na odi abesolve problem no esan say ohu odin dada 18-year boy wa kwa rush ede tramol aka hu na odi isa red ne na sefo enyina no odi abom aduro more than 2000 milligram ena onum osimbe tutu ntem ozo omo erere cocaine enunum drugs no obehunu no na ne se aye weak because aduro na ekọ mu no e weaken kidney e weaken enamel o sen enamel no e weaken dentin o pop cavity edi moja ebre esen no e weaken no etibeduru baabi no na o petaduamuden bosonu mienu pe nanso odi akoji ade a tutu usin odi osin enfifiri biem na akokoma kidney failure sa aphrodisiac no say kidney papa ema EGFR no etimi lo wano ubo se creatinine peja ebeduru baabi no potassium wo mu papa potassium no ena de chemicals no afrafra na adane anticoagulant na ma umoja nane etimoja nane be se within 15 hours afi baba ka na api afi obunso wakoma bo na emfifire eto afi wo wa abunso yam ya oya yebekotwa scan no yese oyam no empomponya abubo blisters abubo mu wani baba ahun so no na wo liver nso so asai uni fatty liver na uni hepatitis B uni hepatitis C uni hepatitis A ana we na also ko panashinwa ana we na also ko panashinwa we kosi ahe untimi so nkom pendu
doc ye can say no afutuo na ba se sexual boosters ayefa no enya nsunsu asobone e ya brabo mu anase asetena so nti obi wo ho se me de me no maduro bia na emom no menya patasi na me de shebites a yese 20 ni ene kraman kote ni ade ade de shebites a odam yese onoma utimi gya na yi koko amaman anopa obeso na obe ma se gina so ni enti me de bites na menom okọ sport nso a o me de me mpero no me pe bites mpacho ma ho gania wo ho mpacho yellow wo ho 20 ne wo ho mpacho adaroma na no nso ne de senya aphrodisiac
apetition bi eni we ye mfa so de ma nipa ajo de ye aduro bi a anya tuemu da aduro otimase
ba se bites no de anti
o betimi anom bi ba emfa nya tuemu da
okay
se bosome no anom mpen nan a e okay
oh doc apetition no
mpen
na ya se bite bosome
o de na otwi bi a o de o ye ne ba ko kakra bi
we de wadarma ye mfa bi nka homo mo anan de so
mo wa ebedru ba bi no ebedru ba bi ebe no a liver no yes o de brabo to apetition so ye ba adwuma yi ukuma ponchi bi na otwa na brabo na de to apetition be kofie na ben na no akura fine eti o fa kura hu se anoa ama eyi a o kakura hu se no enam na emre se o de se ho ebe ha o media apetition se obi yare da yama na duro se din anko apetition pe ene ye de fra duro a ede ma no a eyi eti apetition no alcohol no ebetimi ya duro ama obi ba o de yetuemu da so obi konum bi ba akopɛ nso ma ne na so o so o twe ba akopɛ na ni ba no so no de nsa wura emu esija so mu na obi sase na ye fo ba ko wa na obi sa ade na wo mu no hydro tetranine delta cannabinol no a cannabis entina editu akoni trim on fa bi da antibody na hunu say new introduction of new element awura no ekoni mu no a jine no ama onu a ogina wa ohunu say ni tikura ni so onu ohunu say ade na ebo ne dam ena o say urade jeme e ma modam urade jeme so ba akopɛ na hwe aduru e wa de bi mu no ena kire ni nsunsanso obi nso ahia mfirinsie duotwe nie ogusu wo wakoso jawie ena nwa ofa kwa mi ata ne ho den oda so hye etini agi obi no enyi obi ba ya na yewe majority na carry vote no etini obi konom ya o so we dia onom a duro bi wa o de shepetesia ene e den apetition aka samu no ebu a onom na ye tipsy kakra o ni so a obosu be ma ni gina so oti ase
ene no kre ene no kre
na so ni onu apetition de ba a watu ni din say me ma duro no onum
bi ampa
wo sika de obaji edi na so onum bi ne etie ne say ne muroso moa se wo mua na ne o ya den a obu a otunifo ontie o ka so onya ye ontie ebu ana wakamu kakra ba o mane eka o 21 days te say o sore ne wakotwa 1 to de abedidi o si ebudidi wakotwa ko sport uduru wana utwa na ohun se wani so ba emoja nti de edi kan fie ena ama wakokoye wadidi kakra bi ebu onso utwa ndodo no wani di a obo se na obofuno ebu onso utwa ndodo na akodi eduane bi na je ne wo mu a oba kofe ena ebu onso utwa ndodo a apetesi ema asichire ba fom wasichire se o obi a ota no nsa obi wa senketenkete a kire no u glucose ena drop etiasa na ekom atwaro na ohun popo ye hunu dokunu bi ma wa ubonsu ani so ada ho eti apetition ma sugar e drop eti se wo kwakonum bibi atisa anka se wudidi ansa no wanu apetition no enum apetition ansa no wadidi obi se eti bedru ba bi no obenum ba untimi ni bebre obi nsusu anum a afa wontimi ni di because wa saiki adwene no
bere bi na menum bi ena meye se mejai nti mendre na yebudidi ene menya fufu nko ade a ene na ma yi oh nti meye se ya metimi di fufu be nto amienu ba do ka fe mejai no ba kokora no na che se meden
so afa tia me no konfo a oni tia me so de Yeah, ne kasamano. So wa fa chiame. Na chiame no so ma apia tete appetite. It is a uja chiame na chiri dia. O kasamafo no hwan.
Dog okay obeboa yen ekwanya natural way obeboa yen but before that no dog ye compare ma wadaroma be ma de wa compare no tata wadaroma be how many minutes.
Oh, mempa emrento ho ba nko ba ku nyai.
Oko ba ku wie.
Sa to aso.
Dog e to de e ni abre.
Wa abre san.
Na ohini mi na.
Eno ade unse se problem bi ni wo se akoma no srade ye ho ana se onta anya exercise ana onta anu nsuo ana obu onso okobo atopa no afa no wedidi ase na furu twapa okodi bankutu amienu ekobodo
wa koye adwuma wa bra wo koye adwuma
that o se dey o se wedi banku ahe
ya modern bankutu amienu fa mo na de wa uze makwa wakobo
dog adaruma dog ni e be bo aduane be na o se
unse what did bear 4 hours 4 hours achino one nsuo kakra bear say 1 hour kakra bi ansa no akwakoye adwuma bo nsu wafuru wo fom ummiye wafuru yi wa kapu oto pankra interest afe o de osre na wama atwo kakra
That goes to pack and
trust. Atopambro for your friend trust. Atopambro for your friend trust. Oh, it's best almost a banam water. Oh, what's the no, a banner so to no. That's as a only buffo. Never
no couldn't work as no. Maybe there be a new
no, or no more so to European.
Aye,
never that. Said he also told one to me. Never one 20 years.
Oh, you didn't come
on. What kind of some? What kind of some? Well, it's be my dear. Oh, to a pan and more balm so to more to answer. When we say a 2 a pan, as you to me call Corner Harris walk. Well, now Corner Harris now when I corner, Nanny walk on the boko and near Johnny Trim once as we got in Zoom or 1 and 9.
That fire go natural ways I fear.
Yeah, anticoagulant in ra a boy mojano emanane. Ah, boy, young Jananum betre garlic. Any jenny I am. Any a day when tia fry. Now the uncle tradian su afra garlic. Wafa garlic same wabakun kesiye. No wafa jenny su near wawa no su muabakun.
Okay.
Na wape
nketwa no nketwa
no
okay
ni nyina contain Allison ebua o ma umoja no etimi na ne fine na wabomodin de nketwa de no wachim na fe wa o blend ya wa blend ya we kama no wachim nketwa de no kama minimum nketwa de kese se lemon so na benya chim fra na kanum na wate atrekese ya ba ko adi be me pan say 30 minutes ebeka o enye ntisa brofu duro ofa agide bia okoto eboa ma be ma nya hodin etu hunu pie to design kura na apaja ni mu o ti ase na hodin abom ense se ka se aphrodisiac ene se o ba be ya adwuma no na wakwakofa na bia 20 minutes 30 minutes na ejina so edi be se 4 hours na do ebeduru ba bi no o the chemical drug akwakose artificial natural nanan chemical no be say natural hormones no e be say o testosterone e be duru ba bi no be ma no mre a wonhia no na sorry ogu okra eniema papa ya kire te say garlic jene ene hwentia ya yam de anka twade nsu afre no on fa bi ope quick action titru ni burger no burger fo no ofri amano ni aba waja na yire oba mfie nan na oba ye no afi na okope aphrodisiac bi first day ɔde ayere so afe ebedru second day anase ɔkɔ no third time or so we de adi bɛn na ɔtwe bi nsa nkɔyɛ no wamfa do no bi mu anya adwuma awabɔ na ha mu ama na ehwe mu ntiri nyina adwodwo na ne yɛte ne sɛ awɔ mmerɛ mu unsa awɔ wɔ mu kura bema ɛyɛ na hwa no etimi moamoa owia bɔ a na asane ne ho
boho
mo sɛ ode te abrokyire na o yɛ ho sɛ o me de boga me ba o ba beduru ha no
na anane
oh kan ho kura because obre ni edi kan obre and for the longest time o akotena wa onu obi enhia onso san Pentecost elder ewo ho eti o ne asori ba ben na ekotwe mpra onso a oyire nka ho o te eti o baba no oyire te Ghana o twen emfie nan ekomu nyina obeja agu so eti oba bepem wa baako ekomienu na ohun se no aye mi wura okọ senate eya wo no ana se wo obi ho onso nim se oni obi a afi ne ntokwa ebeto aso entokwa ne ba be ma ne kura nsore kura no ya adwuma biom esan se abufuo esanka atopa abufuo esanka topa se obu efu ana oyire bufu na mo de akoma ekasa anigye no a ekwa ham ema corpus cavernosum ntine be manum gimoja edinya yi no saa adwene ni nyina atwe saa emoja mu ahoɔden no na adane abufuo na akoma na ebo eti eba saa mo amanigye na mokwakwagye no ensipi ana bebre na no eya no meka no enye se ni kunu be ma na ewu eka kura etimi ma obe ma adwo o de ka etimi ma obe ma adwo esan se school fees eba efie wura dan o kama ponchi kura gina efie konwa so no ofiri na jiki nkremu abonten wa o se o kire oba no se ye fast na fefa wani te o se efie wura na eba no a eso na ya ponchi eba sa wadwendwene a eko utirim moja eko utirim no ebe do so ne o wa ham enti eba sa obo se ayam hyehye ne adwendwene no be ma ne kura nsore afa beduru baabi no oba try ese we di asore fashe ode ye ya obo se epe ya anadwo eba sa uti nsusu obo so anikum oyire edawa no ohe odi eba sa obo na enkrom hi etu ato se basa ohun be ye si kura e wo ba nanim sini bibia be ma wa han mu no san hi nkrom oba ben na ade kwada nchen ama na ni akwaje eti basa nyabotre ma ho hye ohun nkuran enye ohun na oba ne nso oba ne obi eso hye ohun nkuran mo na o kire so omiwura eduro we de be yi ebi kura na ensuo keke na ade vitamin C atum na o don safa ni tinu ho se eduro we de eduro papa num bi ni enhwe vitamin C keke o na o de atu nsuo
na esan se wo krokro na ma ni tima ni de
mo wa kire nse eduro we ye se bodwuma owi ase na wo abefa anya edwuma de na che se assembly or na spiritual
ansa na ye be ko ye eduro etoso mienu no wa kire yen garlic jene ne hentia ne lime anase lemon no wa kire ye no
na 20
ni
ene kraman kote no
20 ni kraman kote
ai
eno se edbe
kote no de eye kote yes kote na oba de no ntwan edi se ne ya te ne ya sum huhu no eye amum ya mfre ne ayi enhunu se ehu sa why eti obehye ensuom ana pito unya pito a na ode ahye ana nsanfuo ana nsuo eti unya 20 ni hini na wape krama akote no dua din mesere onyam no mato ne din ti din de sa na ebebo no krama akote no otwitwa onsa bua we ma baako we nso ma baako na ode agu toam enye rubber toa pentoa bia toa no na ode nsanfuo agu ho ana pito agu ho ana wahye ne nsuo ma ne nsuo obakọ adwuma ba na bam na edi saa fa disposable cup no half nenom eni din hye wo furu kapu enkonum muso didi normal on se adidi ekura omeya mroso na yo hawo me say me didi ma didi me pempempempe esa na ho kura ayira we the simple aduane ehun say omi eni go too much won so e common now na why then one magu so ema ahoodene ba wuntinum because enane moja pa 20 ni kura ne krama ko tinu timi bubo yi garlic so na o de aguso na bam ba garlic no o ko re garlic de ko to pan afa na o ko ha wonum agu oba bi so obi okra na hunsi aneda afa na wa ko si ana foforo na o padura ko ya ko re garlic obi ewura ba e ba sa wan ra o be ya adwuma ba o kaka sa garlic scent na o mpe enti wan ra next day on fro eti bomodin se ubeyi garlic na frim bomre ase unim se wa ufie na to no hire to de atimi de garlic ne ka ho nan ye wodi aye ohun aduro na ma kire no enye duro a yese tuamu dada bia wanya wamfa enye adwuma oti ase enye se wo ba be adwuma na ofa num ebe mo ube ma enye hodene a na gina so oti ase yan ma ye janu mo ware nwotwe eware nwotwe wood aduasane na asefo no me papa nua bi o 46 ne ma dunsia oti ase no odo mu do koko ye tete mrem sa mre no emfa unya ba ko afatena ho na se HIV na dawson enti ba ko no anu asiesie ho ama no ena eno nso kura no mo beye addicted to sex among yourselves mumienu no enye se o de kocheche obeda ne sperm donor afa ye from Mr. what donate sperm aso aba oba amenyimwo obon sa fe wa obotomu nye onso o de cheche ebeduru ba bi no adwendwene be ma obe ma na ho ode na ba fom automatically because o dwene ha ena be ma won se ohun ma akodoso a oni ba ko usia na wo dwene ba ko atopan onu bu ye se ne onwan wo fa he
ene no kre
oni obi o no na wo dwene ba ko bi na ko sia no
etoda kra so na obi wo ho ne ji se o ka kai obi ansa na obe ma kra be so de ansa na no ye
sa me ma sai ko e wa dwene nim ba that means wo ye sperm donor uchinchin dodo it say one fa sa de na anto nchen na wan focus on ya wo no dada no a da bia bo se wadwene didi enenam be ma no kura se edwono na ode kwa nwan ode na adwene kwa nwan ansa na ba be sore wan hwe yi betimi akoma problem betimi agu aware esan se oyire ka ho se dam na wotwe a wan ko ba bibie mu o ho na akwakọ dwene biem o match dada na twam eti bomodin na fa den 20 krama kote garlic buboso shene pentuom enye rubber neti American rubber to ano se ko ba bi a heat ewo ana temperature near too cold it will react with aduro
okay
enti se wo bi a tuamu a pentuan na react etu benum enyemu anwode ne krogen enkofa viagra enkofa cantarudin enkofa Spanish fly
doc o can say no so no obu ho se me nkofa viagra bia me nkofa bibia na induro bia ba yesi kumi kasa p capsules kumi kasa power capsules kumi kasa co capsules yesi e no so no ene de ni side effect bia na emom no ye de inhaban ne ndubina na
ma mentre wa de bi enuro no bebre na no se nipa no ko register no FDA okwa ofa no raw krogen no de akọ register oba opedom ne adansidie no akofa chemicals dia wono na nse nro bi aba so ufa da me modi ye ko be no na chemicals a omo de agum no
obeda
enye chemical ketwa paracetamol your friend saying tramadol enro bebre ufa na hu a unse we di abrofo nsa no nso ya to na bibidi
o ka enda asemi na no ba ku bi na obi kan fu ma me na me kwa na me konom ye na oba ne se memra me beda no ho doc mani to tetem na no pa 10
Better down.
Madam, I just say, Mantimian.
Oh,
Nanka, the answer, Yadia, me Conanka him much fast. I'm a son, I say,
almost the same with Dunu Yam. Who's a fight with pure medicine. I desire. But say, Mamma stroke a drew, and I BP a drew. Now, Obi decided Drew be command now no. One has stroke no besamba because multiple chemicals and yakan boom. Near no ya chemicals no craba and one minute who crashes say or cancer near man boom with me bibisa because a bit me as a wakuma, a bit me am kidney failure, a bit me am liver damage. 18 in no say no and no crab it me as a ubema. Now bema there one madro now what the hatte. Anka bema when he become obey to me sorry. Ena obenwane nso a obematimi sore ena wada namu nso timi sore na jonso de wa etimi nso sore ebeduru baabi no aduro bi a wakwakoto a wo se wuri open na duro wani baba ho no na ne side effect ama obema adwo obu okura adwo kura na san amem okojonso adwo otwepie na wen na ode kokonya gonoka ho a ena ese na wabọ chalk
yewu
ase
eti yesempa dog adro no or say garlic na jeni nketwa na hentia unya lime na lemon na dia fra ana 20 ni kraman kwate na unya garlic bi nso a na o dia fra dog wadro we ne toso ne edika no obi aye bia ma mepen na in fact na enye ije kra na no say obi ye bi ma me na me no ye nti afi me da ho masori anopa na me say me ba ne mra oba na me boni ti ho na me say na den empa o papa me da so wakof sesa dua wa bonten e de abegugugu mpa no so na me da empa no so doc me nkwere say na me be ma na me da so no ka sa akoda na kofi akwa bonten akofa dua abegu mpa no so say na me ya me be ma na me bo akoda free
ezini ya friend tadua tadua ese di ti se dua sa don penu anso sorry ana sorry
gina asembisa bia na yankwa hama no so na atiefo wa asembisa bia
mama mimisa dog ese ayi ensem a dog e kanyina no pese e bisa se obi wo hono ma oya abrantie owo na ho odin dada enti no enkasa ne ma we nyina ho behia se obefefa bi ana empo so ho behia unipa wunyini duru na mema unyini du emfie san a ena sese sa natural eye booster wode ebeka mabrabo
medase nyankopon abasha yaduanum dada ebi wo bokobokom adamem trokatrokam enuane a yedidodo na no wonuane nru a te se magnesium potassium ewom a eboa ema wa ho odene omoja nane ote ase nyankopon bo nipa ne se osi nipadua branches no ba ko ne ham eti emoja eko utirim no eko wonsam onam no ebia na bo aham eti se asensen kirewa unim sa asensen no kuro bitimi kiri bema
okay
asensen obi numbness
numbness
sani asensen kire wonan no sa so na bitimi kiri obi bema eti emoja eko no difference bi anim ba ewoni nuru bi ekeka won te se testosterone eboa male fertility hormone no eboa ema emoja no timi kontinim ema hoden eba wo mere a anadwokra wada emere a Jones account ni nyina ne boa de massage bema no ema na hoden eti enye se wasiwa bi pise duro we na mefa potin no eno na ma hoden ba oye younger ni nyina no o de bon ba oye young na onum nuro na me chire ya ba ma asem oye young oye school going student onam be say 18 years onu no mo a wani beje ba wan ra ba nyem nkrofo ma o te ase wan we ya de sa obewie school na obewie SS no wa wo miensa
ti dog nti emfie se na be manya wo se onfa eye booster enka na brabo
okay eno de yemfa ne se memfa se wo di mfie du nwotwe no ba mfa se wo du nwotwe ni problem du nwotwe untie school fees du nwotwe ebu ahun ko nsuo umma ko homa eti wadwendwene wo fam adwendwene ma be ma hoɔden so ekɔ wo ba na university wo mam yensa da bia wo dwene wo ho wo ba baako oya kronosem wo dwene ne ho adwene kura ma kwan ma moja ne bi nsane ma fam da bia na wadwene mu na ada moja
ka adwene ne nko am
na kam eti age enso ka ho o prostate when your prostate enlargement eti mi ma be ma ahoɔden kɔ fam because prostate no produce nkwamwa ensuo ana san so abo anwo adwonso na o prostate ya de rubber ko bro mu kra de na edo to prison wa ha mu da prison de untimi nya fe.
All right yo yenkɔ na abusuafo a ofi asɛm bisa yemfa ma doc na doc embo mo 0551598321 0550055522 0551598321 and patch on you.
Good morning, Kumi Kasa.
Oh, Chairman Boko.
Me Pastor Ferguson.
Ferguson, Bubuashi.
Me Pastor Bawe.
Bawampa. Yo, Ferguson, yentio.
Yo, me Pastor, the doctor see. And one Kasa, any beautiful sexy green, or the money, see, and that topic no dear. Niema Bibri Oma. She say yes, yeah. Yeah, doctor, why are the mission or touchy on every aspect of, men's sexual health and all of that. Into Yedanasi. But me need so I get to guy. Me need so only keke ni. When you know, my bobra, my who be a chichi ambassador. Kumi Kasa dia me for church. She say ocean you.
Senior man, masa. Menya kwadasa.
O se dey kiki.
Kiki.
Then.
Ubi same. Enche no ate. Enche yo yate yada se 0551598321. Unim chichire.
Chichire.
Chichire. Chichire.
Debbie.
Akoda so you this year.
Kumeria.
She. What dey who do with it?
Branga no near there.
Doc say
mama.
Doc say what?
Doc. E bia ye nim but e dini no.
Doc say what chichire da.
Wow, son.
Nti ye dey ade akumi.
Na no penisa ade ai dey. Eno ebi da dey go pay bia hu. Doc say u chichire kura. Doc actually kwan okay but before that no we futu say ma dey ma emema etie yen sisi a ye kase.
Na edi kan say o waware mu a ma waware anya nigye because abufuo ba ware mu a obeka sempra twen eden so na wa no wase no the reason is say nigye ni muma ware mu a ona na obe ma din sa din adwuma sa din abufuo esanka atopa ema wa kono etiko ena ebie mahunidie ewa wariem umesi ni mate ni driver carpenter wakwa adwuma ba mimina ni nkonti afa wanimu a ene mfifire oba be didi ya o patopa bu o matuo mu a hyehyehye hwan baba na bepe saade we ma wo honya kono oti ase se hwe obi a odi afa wa ha o matuo mu anka atwade wa ma wa ha mafu ama ho kura ehu fi kura da na dwom enso unyini ye yi wa ha mu ema ho na ho hwan baba na ade hunhura ne sa no oti
ema no so catch up say ya obutwitwa so ema no doc mama ni twitwa so me double some say ema ni de doc o 50% stock o hu
what's that talk
o de me come man de famare de bra
gumi no ya ni ana
wow mesro ena be man so ho odin no be ma ebe ma hunu ade ansa no wani ehunu o ti ase oba uhunu se wasiesie no fefefe oba pieto baako wa sha ebisa ne sapo watimi adware sapo baako mfie num sapo na tiam abɔ ne po ezo egusu di dware o pieto wa kyekere fa and a boy no dia home
and then the side and the video what
ya
roda from many parts one roda the any tofu from
eti envem so do kasa
toma ne toma ma yes toma
na wa man sika so to pieto
o ba de mesrew ema be man to ema usika ansa no ato pieto
na say ebi aba size ema
be ma jo what you say
one pa dog made me ntwa no one pa no ane so we bia wo pieto na wa bo ho pom
me na mempe we ti aba no de ohuni pieto ni nse no ebo no wa bo no po ebo eti mimi na mi hwe ansa no ma
ya kwa di kwa ya no mo so wo
de bi o some de me sa yare adwunu mu yare anu me sa no ti emai munnim huni o ti ase me srew na wo sra utuna no ka ho otuna no obu a ni tuna no se hoya
fita pa sa omude omuhuni yakoso
ya brana ope adaka
omuhuni yakoso we kire ho ya so ehun so ayetimi
se o klini ho o me kan da bia se adware o yo ba ope dogi ma utunu mu ma men kan o simple ehian tuturi ho ye
da ka fe di amroso
tie asem no wa eto de bi so to da funu adi amanfo amani hunu odam na me kan ro e di se wan kan sei amanto obi asumu a obema no eba ya obo dogi 1 na otwumienu ansa no oba osambo abiem osambo ebo dogi ofra na homfa adentia ni afa ne so no
any osisa position eh
hey yes sasa na ede
oba bi o
sasa na ede
na ha hu onyida oyisuru na no ejase ho ehon so na ojo nso edun so ni bikoka
ekam
ono so okwa ontwini tu yie obeba dogi na ho no wo se ejana ya kan wo wi akọ dware ko ohuru ho onko no asaba no abe e de amam
doc
obese edem wo nyina
doc
samu america na no kura amam wo kuma
doc mama ni huni yes asa unzu ebi ato
me de wo me nkan se ma ni wo na me kan ro enema ekoso amamfo fie o de ase me se na mi hunu america no sa na no so meka mo ba bi ati
alright
no so ene ya kan obi be kwakoto blade na pai
doc head ase mami ntia na abote o ya adwuma o Moosewood Yard anopa ye chia ya se wutie adwuma de doc wa kire kwan
yo natural ye di echira ye be ka man for secret nyina wan se ba ayarese adwuma won ye mfa fere nto ho
enokwa
se oka ema to nipa na so obi o wa ni twi a wote ya ne makan me ko kan kwa no bu ba ha ya nkran obi nso ya dan ni obeka se ane o kan menti o ti ase eti no matie ni sa na matini yie ba ma ampani sa mo fa nche na so ye kan sa na ya kan na to we wo Santa Maria kwan so ye Benjala Hotel na stroke yare na kan wa me nkan se me kan dwamanum oba na ohunu ne ewom eti na me ba me kira de free na ebro so a bra yare ne mro so a ye ne ma kira wi na ni nyina ya adwuma 20 ni ya me kira ye stroke aduro eto wuntini e ma hoode ne bam se bro so a bra na me lab kese o enye fake lab a ye de ade akoso wonsam na waso ade ebu na agi kwenkwenkwen yeso onso na sai yeso kidney na sai dabi metwu moja me de wontasuo ojonso eye lab se me yes scanner me wo mo metu o mo kabodin yes scan papa e ma wo hu se onso na da hoi oyem neema o prostate ni esen na da wo nyem o ba na pese yes scan ma o be ni nyina ma se o kidney asai a en na ho hu enra obi kidney na ni EGFR e wo 9 say about 102 within 2 weeks now 9 stage 5 and stage chronic disease yes ni kidney na say kojo to ni mienu 2 weeks apaja ama ene abofra de epe enu nti obetimi afre me 0245
0245
15
15
95
95
47
47
0245
0245
15 95
95
47 me send to subian 0245
0245
15 95
95
47 and 0200 79 24 66 0200 79 24 66 oh hwenso a ofa Santa Maria ka wala pass odoko anase ofanko baria osu besi o Jalav hotel ofanko baria de obefa kwashima ka no asi Jalav o La Paz nso a fa Santa Maria ka si o Jalav so ba natural way herbal clinic ejuoda kosimi menda me doctors me nurses and me lab technicians ye nyina gu scientists ye ha a ye adwuma emfa onkwa ento chacha hwe free aphrodisiac emwa wo ho fa ne ebeboa no nyina che no wadi enkwa ten so ache amen
doc yada say once again enkoma na bote wo ye adwuma o Moose Wood Yard na fe so enkoma DJ PK Gallo PK wo ye adwuma o top FM na pa ye chia Absu ha na mbrebe ma kwan ye de maximum ni di ujuma de nbesi ye da ase ne ombre ne wadaje ye fa aseda ma Kivo hot pepper mo boy sika fam na fe aseda no bi so enkoma mass buy mega cash lucky box so boy sika fam ma na ye de maximum ni di ujuma de ne bra bo modi ase ma china so anopa no nsia abaje bre ni adaje ne wakan ho ye fa aseda ma production team DJ Holy the beautiful green no are in the kwao Efremi kumikasa iwe nyankopon ya adoma chira no pai be sensia na the maximum ni do ebro doc ye dase
me dase
green no ye ko
yeah ye chia tie fu nyina